Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people.
Marcia, big up yourself.
Yeah. Big up An Blenda, Dancehall. Hey, up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf of it and bad mind, you can't stop in a revival time. Everybody shake up your tambourine and praise the Lord.
You know, me I look for my rag, you know, but me have a grey rag, you know, because me a channel grey today, isn't well, grey and black and thing and whatever. Me I look for the grey rag and the rag right, yes, you know. But with the kind of blend with the grey sweatpants and thing, I couldn't see it for a second, so I go for the white rag. We got rags over here. Hello. Yo, big up on yourself, you know. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon, good evening, good evening, good evening. Greetings. Why not? What? I want to Christine about ANC Grey shirt. Now look for you know. When I know what to think, so when I come hijack Grey and I own alone have Grey, you know. I own alone own Grey. No, it don't work like that around here. Okay, you're out of that. Okay, well I make sure, see. Yeah, so what go on with on people? What go on with on? What go on? Sigil. Ooh, are you name so? Well, on it. Sigil 264. Ooh, are you name so? What's up with that? What go on this so, yeah? Be able to speak up yourself. Tina Lee, large job, Christina, I see you. Milo in the building. Creme de la creme. What go on, boo boo. Diony. Never hear that before. Diony Malcolm. Diony. We've heard of Dion. We've heard of Dion. We've heard of Dion. We've heard of DIAN only. Okay, see, Jill, so only knew the name Master. See, well, yeah, see the person right, you know, and in all my pop down glory, I mean this, all right. Island girl, big up yourself, you know. I know the voice. Yeah, man, I was getting in trouble with the voice. Daniel says, stand up and let me see something rather not happening. Not happening. Not happening, Daniel. Worse a sweatpants I do it, you must be mad. Not happening. Not happening. See, Jill, you probably knew over here. Be a trouble and give over here, man. I be a trouble Daniel and Everita and Karen Robin and them. I be a trouble and give over here, man. It's a TamFam thing, you know? Nikki Wagwan. What's up, Nikki? Yeah, though. Yeah, Daniel bad long time, man. Daniel bad long time, you know. Sonia birthday. Here I have a wonderful day. Thank you. That's really nice of you. Appreciate it, you know. Nikki, you're baking. Anything done bake yet? Anybody have any food for sure with? Anybody have any food for sure with? Remember, you know, we're up on the food thing. Anybody have any food for sure? Come up into the box and make it happen right you now. And give us some culinary confidence. Yeah. Sonia, you can do that. Sonia, you can do that. Okay? We want people who know for cook. So, none of the... Nikki, show me the cake them. I want to see the cake them. Big and serious. I want to see the cake them. At this point, when we're asking people to show the results of their culinary skills, it should naturally follow that this doesn't apply to any member of the ANC, of the Ants Nest crew, given that they all have cooking challenges, you know. So we don't expect anyone to go take shoe off and come out here for embarrassing and say, Marcia, did I try show we our food yesterday and God just Gotta look out for her, though, if you make her phone or anything work, for she show her food, because God know what it got me right this. Now, Nikki, what go on?
Good night, Raga. Good night, TamFam.
Oh, you sound so low.
I don't know why I'm so low. Let me turn it up.
Hold on, yeah, turn it. Hold on, probably I mean, as usual. Hold on, make me turn. I mean.
Let me flip this.
I mean.
This camera quality is not good.
The what?
Let me get some light. It's not good. The camera quality on this phone is not good. So let me get some light.
All right. All right. Put it on and then make me expand it.
All right. Are you seeing it, Raga?
No, we not see it yet. Oh, yeah, here we go. Hold on, let me bring it up now. Hold on. All right, yes. We are typical Jamaican fruit cake. Yes. Are you make them there?
Yes, Raga.
And you know, so them look moist. Them look like, you know.
I just pour some wine and rum on this one. They're cooling.
Oh, that's why them look moist and thing and whatever. Hold on. Yes. Nakita, is Nakita in the chat? Oh, she had it. Nakita, that's a fruit cake for look here. Nakita, it's your fruit cake for look. The way they do what they yeah. This is how somebody outside of Jamaica may see this and be like, oh my God, it's so dark. It's like black cake or whatever. Yeah. But this is our fruit cake. A soft fruit cake for look and thing and whatever. So tell me something, when you make your fruit cake, some people like it on the drier side, some people like it not the middle, some people like it moist on the wet side. Or your one then come on.
I make it however they want it. So if they want it moist, some people want it moist. Some people want it on the drier side. Some people like it with a lot of rum. So however you want it, that's how I make it.
Hold on. So wait, you're good like that?
Good like that.
You can't give them any way they want it, though. If they want it wet, then get it wet, though. If they want it moist, then get it moist, though.
Any of them want it, Raga. Any of them want it.
Boom, star! Hold them a friend! Hold them a friend! I hope the NC woman, them a look on this, you know. They understand, she skilled there and things. So obviously you make these and you sell them, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so like that cherry in the middle, something, you know. Why go on this?
It's for presentation, Raga.
It's for presentation. So
good. Yeah, it look good.
So it's just
cherry on top.
Are the cherry for taste good and
Well, it tastes good as well. Yeah, everything tastes good, Raga.
Everything
tastes. Turn off this light.
Yeah, cause the cherry, the cherry have to eat. Don't. What you mean?
Yeah.
And nice kid. No, but those look good. I don't know. Me get a feel. Me's a feeling, man. You know. Me get a good feel from them. As a Jamaican, I look on Jamaican fruit cake and thing like that. Big up yourself.
I'm in Jamaica, Cher.
Oh, she's in Jamaica. Anybody? She's in Jamaica. So anybody in? So weird. You advertise your thing, Nikki?
I just posted like a video on TikTok for the fruits, talking of the fruits, because on my page I basically show them what to do for the persons that want to do it for themselves.
Okay.
Kingston, Christina.
Kingston. Well, I don't want to tell her no. Well, she live near Moline, so if you know that anywhere near the son, I can add and she will meet to now go.
Yes, in the Molines area, and we can.
You see, I remember. You see, I remember though. You see, I remember though. You see, I remember though. Don't play with me, okay? You see, I remember. Say I have the Molines you live. But tell me something, I know. Do you want to tell people how much you said?
Yeah. So all right, this one that you're looking at right now, this is a 2 pounder.
Yeah.
This is for 4,000.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And the smaller one, which is this one, is like a £1.5 pound.
Yeah.
It's for 2,200.
2,200. All right then.
Yeah.
Thing. So for the
pretty reasonable price.
All right then. So about 4,000 for the 2 pounder. That is Jamaican people. That is Jamaican. Yes. That is Jamaican, obviously. So we just want to remind.
About $26. $13 would have be for the shipping. Because I do ship.
Oh, you do ship. Well, we can't talk about it because TikTok will come beat me up. I just want to make them know.
Yes.
But so them can go on your your TikTok and say and link you and them
Yeah,
something.
it's on my TikTok. I'm gonna post the video of the actual tutorial to bake the cake tomorrow.
All right.
Today is just so if you guys don't know how to cook, just hop on over to my page, you'll learn.
And that is a cue for the ANC. Up on over to her page, right? ANC ladies, you just hear that. She said, if you don't know how to cook, just on the farmer line now. ANC ladies, farmer line over Nikki, right? So it's NIKIE. Over there, so our PH there and thing. NIKIE. And it's, it's our TamFam and Nikki and thing, all right? T awesome 775.
Leave ANC alone.
Leave ANC alone. We're trying to help them.
They're my friends.
No, we're trying to
They're
help
my
them.
friends.
We're
Leave
trying
them
to help
alone.
them. We're trying to help them. Yes, Milo go take you off, but Milo in a ANC, Empress Milo go take you off, and she didn't make fruit cake too and thing. Make she tell her what happened with that, okay? You never hear about that?
No, Raga. Trial and error.
No.
Trial and error.
Trial and error.
Practice become perfect.
Yes, so Milo go make the fruit cake and thing and give her family and everybody kind of taste and say it's good, but nobody never take a second bite, So them say it's good, but nobody took a second bite, then put it down after that. So she now I give to the dog them in her yard for just see how them react, and then a dog them must eat it, and from that them must see dog them again. The two dog them miss and thing. So them have problems over there. Milo have problems over there and things. So them need for farmer line over. Farmer line. Milo, you forget the front of the line. For go learn how to make them fruit cake and things. Anyway, Nikki, wonderful. Me, we make bully beef go get salt. Who does that? When bully beef comes salt already, they make too much salt.
Exactly, Raga. I was asking the same question.
Yeah,
who puts oregano in bully beef, Raga?
What?
Who does that?
Me no business. Me just a chew thing in it. Me just a chew little something in it.
Don't do it again. Don't do it again.
Yeah. When Christina she run in the oregano bully beef cooker Raga. Yeah. All right, Nikki, I love it. Them cake they look good. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. Cool.
Because I said this quality is bad and the quality is bad.
Don't worry yourself, man. So we're not really fussy over here and thing. We easy going, And we used to kick back and thing and whatever. Nikki do her thing. Very nice. We love these industrious ladies, these modern industrious ladies. That's sexy. Yeah, Yes. Ladies who can get things done and thing and whatever. See it? Nikki, big up yourself, love and blessing here.
All right, Raga. Bye, TamFam.
Proper. Okay. So people would they are, on know the levels, what they pan on betrayal mix. Hey, yesterday show did nice. Too long mix up, but them did nice. Them did not. Yo, the last mix up there, You know what I say? Every time I think say like, okay, man, I gotta wrap it up now. Like the mix up, like something come make it be like, wait, what? The second one with the one with the lady there who our friend, what she go get. But I never to understand what I do. She know this girl, right? But she said, them never close. It wasn't a friend like that or whatever. Them never close, but she just kind of know her. So we get the sense that it's somebody who you just kind of know. No depth, no dead. And then somebody, a woman who you know like that and whatever, you gotta give her your boyfriend number, your man number, for the two arrange, figure rent place and live together. That part them I say, I mean, me no want nobody go say like me a diss her or nothing, because she was really nice, But she moved wrong right there, so. She moved wrong right there, so. And well, I'm sure she realized it now, but she moved wrong right there, so she can't. No, you can't do that, ladies. Ladies, them better make Look here, oh, your friend, me tell you, you know. Me tell you now, my friend Betsy from Augustown, right? My childhood friend from a long time, Betsy, right? Decades later when me meet Betsy at Bronx and thing, and me go Betsy business place and sit down there talk to Betsy, me and Betsy are reason good, and we are, you know, talk and thing like two good friends do. And when me look, me see two of Betsy relative them come up, two of her niece them come up. And right away Betsy say, hold on, where's so and so there? That our friend them, you know. So the niece there say, we left them down at the house. At the time, Betsy niece them come in our business place. Betsy must see niece them and say, where our friend them there? Because the friend them did there with the niece them there, which is at Betsy's place. So the niece them say, them they down at the yard. Them they down at the yard. Betsy said, Kingsley, me soon come. Me I leave right now. That not work. Me said, where you go? She said, wait, me soon come back. And me I said, what? She said, man, I left my friend them not to stay in my yard alone with my man. So me I said, what? Me said, me soon. And she left. And when I sit down there and wait, I was come, I said, Betty, but are you good? If them there your yard and thing and whatever, and you left them at your yard, no, you're good. She said, I'm a good friend them. So I said, good friend when you left at your yard, don't? She said, yeah. But she said, no, not even my good friend them. Me I leave around my man. Yeah, Betty said she not join that something there. And at the time, I did I said, boy, Betty sound a little bit insecure or whatever. But me I tell you, years later after, boy, you know this mix-up thing and you hear things and you learn and whatever. Me know exactly where Betty did that about, right? You know, because I see some things that, my man. Let me tell you something, man. Some of the woman probably know, and I go agree with me with this, you know, but when woman a support woman, like them girlfriend and whatever, but it's just, you know, you ever see some good friend and, you know, anytime that friend they need to leave them, pick me over them boom, them need someone to catch them, take them in and thing and whatever. Anytime them I go through any problem, the friend them there for each other. So when woman I support woman, you know, it's really, really good, right? When woman I support woman, wanna go hard, right? But you see when woman go fit, say them I do bad to woman, boy, wanna take it on a level where me no know, you know. Me no know. It kind of different from when man do, you know, because you have some man just grimy too and whatever, but you see that plotting, scheming, insidious something that when woman go feel like do bad things to other woman, boy, one thing different, man, I tell you. No, you know, some evil and wicked thing when I see woman do to other woman, you know. But the point I'm making, the way them do it, you know, like man would do some cool thing and whatever, you know. But the way a woman we all just right under your nose a laughing at your face and a tear you down, you know, behind your back and a do all some evil. Some things I see woman do along them lines, man. Yo. I tell you, man, when woman go for eat woman and start plot against them, I don't know nothing normal. And I not normal. And I not normal. When, hey, you see bad mind and envy. You see when woman go for do that against other woman, man can't touch one of this, you know, in terms of or when woman go for evil, you know. You see when woman go for evil against another woman in terms of bad mind, anyway, with the betrayal Would they on betrayal mix-up or any other mix-up on betrayal mix-up or any other mix-up on any mix-up was where you betray. I'm glad the first mix-up we get yesterday and the country say, yeah, man, you know, I said, take me to betray my friend and she make me know, you know. Right? So I know that most people are going to call in and talk about how somebody betray on. But if you betray somebody to give you a link and make we know. For example, be honest now. If you think there can be a justified instance where a friend take where a friend man, for example, tell me about it. Because we know so the so-called girl code said no. If you think there's a justified instance where a man draft it in brethren woman, in bona fide brethren woman, because in bona fide brethren did wicked to her or evil to her or something like that and whatever, and you know, you experience a connection with her or something like that. Yeah, make we know. Make we know. No call. But people hear that one, and I want one quick one, you know. So you have two friends. For Jamaicans listening, them have one thing up your name, middle school. After you left kindergarten, you go middle school. I saw you go after you left kindergarten, you go middle school. But then two friends and they know one another from middle school, right? So them meet at middle school, them go high school together, and them set up them things and them go college together. So them a come from far. So one time now, one of them a go up on date with her man, and she bring her friend. But I don't know the first time them do this. They have done this all the time and whatever, this and that. But then I left out one another, you know, them from middle school. How many years at middle school up here in America? Not 2 years. Hey, people. Middle school up here, not 2 years. Yeah, 2 years. Okay, 2. No, Jamaican teddy bear, I said 3. I told man, Jesus, God, just necessary where you get 6 from. Well, I think somehow not. No, man, I think somehow not confused me. 6, 7, and 8. And so? Why I think it was 2. I don't know. But then go through middle school, and then go through high school, and high school up here 4 years, and then go through college, and college up here 4 years. Real friend them, you know. So, them graduate from college now and been out in the world and all these things and whatever, you know. Well, it look like it depends on where you're located, because fight out for starting, I chatting about whether 2 or 3. But anyway, so she dep on a date one night time. One of them dep on a date and the other one did it. But the one where did it with her man, she said all of a sudden she just feel them out in one restaurant, and she said she just feel her belly just a tear up her belly, a tear up. And she said she start vomit. And when she have vomit now, and them she said it's serious. The people in my restaurant then call the ambulance, the ambulance come for her. And it's a good thing the ambulance come for her, because them never tell them to call the ambulance, but by the time the ambulance reach, when the ambulance just a reach and whatever, goody have vomit up blood. So them go so bumps and jump in the ambulance and thing. Well, I make it. Yeah. So them jump in the ambulance and sit and whatever, and rush her go hospital and thing and whatever, and them go down to the hospital and them they run test pan her and thing and whatever, and she's still in the hospital. So after that now, her boyfriend say he might go home for close for her. Because him there at the hospital several hours. So him say he might go home for close for her. So our friend said, all right, may I come with you? And them go, when them reach home now, when them reach a film yard, cause him and him girlfriend live, when them reach a yard, the friend say, you know, if him have an extra rag or some whatever that kind she need for take a shower. So the boyfriend, him say him did at the time, him might kind of think like, that's weird, you know. She did at the hospital, we come back, we get clothes and thing and you can. So him say, you want a shower now? So she say, yeah, she feel grimy and whatever and this and that, whatever. So him say, all right, and him go get a rag and gear and whatever and this and that and that. Remember, you know, come back and get close, go back to his girlfriend at hospital, you know. So him say, after she shower, she come out in a towel and she go in the living room and sit up on the sofa and ask him if him can give her some tea because she said she not feel well. Remember, you know, boy, our best friend from middle school vomit up blood in a restaurant, you know. And the youth say, all right, here we go on. Me give you the tea. But me I go back at the hospital. So she's asking him, say, yeah, go back at the hospital, but and then you go come back, and him say, no, he must stay at the hospital. She said, what you mean? Him say, no, me I stay in the room, them can't get me out there, because boy, loving girl, you know. So boy, I said, no, them not get me out there, me I bring clothes to her and myself to in case and whatever. So she said to him, said, but you don't have to do that, she's okay at the hospital. And him say him just pause upon him say him don't even do like the sound or whatever. Him just say, listen, may I leave? And she said, all right, I'm coming with you. And she go put her on clothes and them go back at the hospital and all was well and thing with him. But it never rests well with him, you know. So when Goods talk to the doctor now and whatever, she have one sickness. She have one serious sickness, right? But so she had tell the doctor, when the doctor come in, she said, you know, she think this might be related to her sickness and whatever this and. The doctor said to her, I said, no, this has nothing to do with no sickness where you have and whatever. The doctor said, you took some diuretics, you know, that are boasting him up here for what we call washout, right? No, them call, what we call washout, no, similar to what them call diuretics. No, so you go, right? And him say you took some diuretics. So she said, what? Them say you took some diuretics and it just, you know, it never fall good with you or whatever. So she said, no, I never take no diuretics. Him say, yeah, like laxatives, you know. So him say, yeah. Me I tell you, say you take diuretics. So she said, no, me not take them something. I say, yeah, you take diuretics. So she said, what brand? And the doctor must say, him not have no way for know the brand, but him just know the chemical. You know them something they like, you know, like you have different brand where you use a particular thing, but then package it with each of them thing. But so the doctor them apparently them can tell the chemical, but them not necessarily know the brand. You know, them can go in there and say ibuprofen, but me don't know if them are gonna know if they say, oh, it's Advil, because you have a whole heap of ibuprofen. But he must say no, him knows for a fact say she take the laxative something then. And whatever. Diuretics or laxative or whatever. And she said she not take it or whatever. Anyway. She recover. She did stay in the hospital at night. Them come out the next day. She come out the next day. And thing and whatever. And things go back to normal. And she and her friend go back to normal and everything good. Them do what them used to do. Them go together. Them call one another. Them hang out and them just go through them thing. Several months later, the friend a chat to her sister. The one who they go take a shower and whatever, she a chat to her sister in front of the one who they go hospital. And them a talk about the inopportune times when dude come up, right? You know, I'm like, sometimes, you know, yeah, dude can come up in some weird time. And she said, at that point, the sister said, like the sister would have said, yeah, but you on top of that, you all take, like should I say, you all take wash out when you go out with your friend and her man, you take wash out. So as soon as the sister says so, you know, she flash on and look back on her friend. So the friend look on her too. So the friend said, the two of them, yeah, make and whatever. And she said she hold on her head. She said she stayed there for about 20 more minutes and everything did icy and uncomfortable and then she leave. She said when she leave and go home, that was the last time she ever talked to that friend or whatever. So she never called the friend, you know, but the friend never called her, you know, and said, wow, go on. Remember then, my friend from middle school, you know. And when her sister make that statement there, and she look on her and say, wait, so she end up and tell her sister she must take watch out for go. Cause she, you know, cause she go on date with her friend and her friend man. So the sister know I say, you all take it too far. You know. Because I know you did, boy, you take wash out before you go on date with your friend and your friend, man. So now when the friend hear that now, the friend I say, I look on her, but as soon as she look on her, she look the two of them, whatever, because she look on her and I wonder if she hear, you know, and I put two and two together, a thing like that, you know. And nothing was said, you know, but she said she hold on her head. And people, if you could have even push yourself to come up with some sort of explanation for say, well, you know, must be something bad I could have she and what even if you push yourself, the fact said she never once called her friend after that. She never want the friendship done there, so she don't know nothing about her, no chat and nothing no one to say. And whatever. Nah, she give me not understand the logic about the hospital because if you give somebody whatever you call it, diuretics, laxative or whatever, there's no guarantee them are going to go to hospital because most people, if you want to go, the first thing people are do is like, they might go home, you know, right? Particularly women, you know. Right? You have women out there no care what them a go through, them a hold it, them not using no public toilet or anything. Them a hold it. I don't know how woman do it, you know. Yeah, man. You see, that's what I tell this everything mental, you know. Because, you know, woman really need to go and then hold it. When it comes to PP and number two, as them say up here, you have women who just, you can't get them use a public toilet. You cannot get them are going in the yard. So, me not go say she do it if she did go hospital. But whatever she put in her that sitting there. Me feel say it cause her make she vomit and thing. And the doctor say, the doctor tell her, say, I just sitting whatever you take. And she said, I don't take nothing. And the doctor said, well, I ask you, I tell you something, see it in your system. And she asked the doctor what kind of brand. And the doctor said, I don't know the brand, I just can't tell you what the chemical is. You understand? So as she put it in there, and you can't tell me nothing for you, for your sister to make that statement there, and you jump up and look over upon her right away. And then when she look back upon you, you hold on your head and all them something there. And you not call her after that, after she leave, you not call her or check in or nothing. Your friend from middle school. I mean, tell you, people out there do things here. People out there do all kind of shit now, whatever, you know, but you know the dilemma with that thing there, you know, as like me I telling you what Bob say, you know, it's like people betray people, we know that. But the only person who can betray is somebody who you have a relationship with where there's room for that betrayal to occur, in terms of the closeness, you have a particular, so, you get her from that. Because you can't say, woman, I go stranger yard and eat, and woman, I take this from stranger, and this and that and that. But you can't walk around as a paranoid with your friend them so or whatever. Like, that's a lonely life to live, And Mark, some people not in the bag of friends something, I understand that, right? Yeah. But even when you're in a bag of friend, you still have people who you're close to, whether a relative or a friend, so you go around that, Really, you can't, You them say trust no one. Yeah. You can't live your life where you don't trust nobody, but when you don't trust people, you still make people get relatively close to you. And from them get relatively close to you, they're in proximity, to do things to you. If them not like you, right? All right. Betrayal mix-up or any other mix-up. Anybody who betray you or you betray them or whatever, call in and give you the mix-up or any other mix-up on the app. Greetings, good evening, Wagwan.
Well, go on. Everything good, my boss?
Everything balance up, man. I want me to your Christmas I come, I want me, yeah, man. Proper.
Man, me have a drama for give you, see?
Yeah.
Judge of that.
John.
Alright, me tell you what go on. So,
yeah.
that one interesting. So, me is a youth work in a hotel industry, and it end up that's my meet one local cat today in an industry from Belize. Now, me I tell you, say, I kid you not. Me never know say boy could have fallen in love. I me say, I don't know say one night mom's gonna link me upon my ends because we can't do nothing funny upon the hotel. She gonna link me.
Yeah.
When she gonna link me, me I wanted that woman in her house, I wanted that woman in the house. Me have to end up put mama under the bed. When me put mama under the bed, after me they are sweating, me I feel like a beard, me just done beard. When mom's coming, she
said, you did a sweat, so you did that for act like a beard, they just done beard when you did a sweat.
Yes. So me turn on the shower like out there. Shower me I come out. Because you have a woman in the house.
Yeah.
And the woman from Belize pop up on me out of the blue.
Yeah.
So me end up put the woman under the bed. That's a woman number 1, Belize a woman number 2 now.
Yeah.
So when me pull the door, so she says, oh yeah, so I said, no, I beard, man. Just done shower and sitting. And she said, alright, come in with her suitcase, everything, And when me did now, Miss Lady phone go ring off, that I the one under the bed, So she said to me, say, what the phone there ring? Me I say, no, I said, my landlord sister come by the place, come do some cleaning today. And I don't know if she left her phone. Like me, I have to tell it because all my apartment set up is a 2-bedroom apartment. So it end up that's me there in one section and nobody in the other part. But me have to just make up a local life, you tell her. You know what say? The woman were under the bed. Are the woman from Belize sister under the bed. And I did not know that. Me give the history of how it go. When me and the woman from Belize and she said to me, you see, me not even joking. When she said to me, say, she go shower. So she in there shower and thing and she come out and she said she want to have some sex. What did they do with thing? End up that's the bed shift look a bit, Yeah. When the bed shift look a bit. Me see Miss Lady in the bed see me. So we have to push my foot like me I push my foot to tell her if you go on back under the bed. When we did that now, after we done do it, I don't want to sit. Miss Lady said she has something to tell me. I say, what could happen now? She say, so you know what I say? Yeah, my sister involved. I say, me and your sister. She say, yeah, man, yeah, my sister in her things. I say, I don't know
Wait, which one this attack to you? I said that.
The belly is one where they there with me. after we done grind and everything,
Yeah.
she a look for me and we sit down and I reason and she said to me, say, see what to me say, yeah, my sister there. I say, me your sister. I say, me don't know what you talk about. Me I deny it, you know. I deny everything. So she end up and she get up go in her room, but take out sitting out her suitcase. You don't know say, is a gun mama go take out. Mama go for one gun palm me in the house there. Cause she's a police in a Belize, you know. So she come out, when she come out with the gun, me think it was like a little prank. Cause in her mind, me never take it serious. So she said to me, say, well, yeah, my sister have, and me I say, my sister don't have nothing. And she said to me, say, me go prove it, say, yeah, my sister have sitting. You know, say the sister, because the sister want cut off her sister from me and her talk. Send her sister want blues with me and her. So the sister we under the bed, send the sister where they in the house now, the video. Like probably 1 week before. I did not know anything about it, you know. Because I actively know say video I make of me and her. When I say serious, too serious, it become me never know no video I make. And me did not know say her sister. So it end up that she did already appoint the gun for me and I say, oh, she gonna kill me. And me I said, "Boo, you can't
Our
kill me
kind
now."
of gun. Our kind of gun.
Come.
Our? Hello?
You know,
Yeah.
no, because I don't even know, me not really know about rifle, you know. I tell you the truth. I know nothing about gun.
Well, of course, it was a handgun though, right? Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, hello?
Um,
Big man. Yeah, cut off. You know. Yeah, hello? Get cut off. Hold on, make I see something. I don't know, you know, that one they did have a match out some more, you know. Yeah, that one they did have some questions did have but in gone. That one they did have a match out some more because like him say she have gun, because she have police. Him say she come from Belize. Where she come from Belize and she have police at Jamaica. Or she have police at Belize. But she couldn't travel with a gun. Them not allow you to travel with gun unless there's some special sitting or yeah, that one that sound heavy. Yeah, that one that sound like would have need some clarification, you know. And if the sister come in and the sister don't know her sister voice, man, so when she come in, the one under the bed no must know say her sister. She know her supposed to know her sister sound.
Hello, Raga.
Wagwan. Yeah.
What's up? What you kiss me eat? Sorry.
Yeah, move her from the
So me
music.
have one figure.
Move her from the music here. No, with the,
No, so in my bedroom, me there outside the road, the music I play. I'm going to my son room.
yeah.
This better?
Yeah, man, we are better. Yeah, man. We're still here.
Yeah, so Raga.
Yeah, talk.
You feel
Yeah.
Oh, Raga, Portmore, me live saying,
Yeah, we know I go over there, yeah.
yeah, so
for
back,
sure.
this happened a couple years back, you know.
Yeah.
We hear me that I was 19 at the time.
Yeah.
I work for years.
Yeah.
And the man in I'm 30s.
Yeah.
So, you know, I want a piece of food me I take off man, because I'm an old man for me.
Yeah.
I sell weed and thing. So, you know what say, I meet up the man pan bus the time and, you know, we start calling correspond him sell weed. You know, weed man then time that they little money. So, I need to get me at Sorry. And if you give me a 10 grand, 10 grand a whole heap of money in the time there, you
Them
know.
time there, yeah, 10 pack.
So
Wow.
me deliver Spanish Town. Me deliver Spanish Town. My husband know at the time he deliver Old Harbour. So he plan in my head now. He say, alright, me for come meet him up there by my yard. I say, yeah, and time man say if I come meet them for money, you know, I something up. So me carry my son with me. My son about 3 at the time. Cause me get him young.
Yeah.
Cause me say anything me and my son has excuse. When me go now, reach, him carry me at this house. The house never looks so proper. So me say, what here so you carry me? Him go say I'm brother yard. So me say, where you come carry me a brother yard for? Me look like ends girl. Can you know say I get us so we think we bad up with thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Him say, alright. Him a carry me by yard. Yeah, Raga, when we reach the yard, when we reach the yard, I see 2 doors. One woman a clean the house, cause then time they polish people have to go down and then they polish floor. With liquid polish. You know what me a talk about,
Yeah, man.
Me see 1 door lock. And then sitting chip in a mate so who open the door with the woman in a man a going now? So said so done Raga the door with the woman. They are clean the man walk in there, you know. The man step cause the house them we have it have cellar. So you know you have to step up on a step.
Yeah.
And them the house there. So the man says, step up in the house and say me if he come. Me stand up. And I say, come. So by him say, so now the woman get up and say, she not come in here, what's it, clad? No, because me see the woman a clean the floor and me see him step up in the house and I say me if he come.
Yeah.
Remember, it's a 1 room in a Raga car, the next door, there's a lock, you know. So when the woman jump up and say, she can't come in here, what's it? All this, I'm man. Well, live with the woman, you know. I'm woman when I live with the Raga. So me stand up now, come here and say, woman, me don't know nothing about you, cause up to any man say, if you call for him, man, not tell me, say, have woman nor live with woman, no, nothing.
One on.
Me think a single man.
It's a 1 room, and he might tell you, and the woman they are clean the 1 room, and he might tell you for coming in there, you know, but whatever.
When the woman there in there clean it, and him step up and say, if he come. So me stand up, see him here, come here, and say, wait me if he come. So the woman jump up and say, she can't come in here. So same time the woman said, so me say, lady, me don't know nothing about you, cause it's a big old woman for me now, cause I was 19.
Yeah.
So she look like she in her late 20s, I go in her 30s. So me say,
yeah.
Me don't know nothing about you. So me stand up and know me, I laugh, come here and say, to me shock. You understand? By this now, like brother live at the next room. So the brother woman come in at the yard now, cause the brother woman side to play.
Yeah.
So the attack club start, the brother woman take me son from me. Cause the woman determined that she wanna fight me and Raga. And my husband when me bad and grab a bad girl in time there.
Bad girl can't defend yourself. You're not no check from no
yeah,
girl.
Mr. Lucky thing me coulda defend myself, Raga, cause man that carry me a place, make man beat, make girl beat me.
Yeah.
So Raga, you know say when the woman chuck off and me now, me have to grab her.
Yeah.
And me grab her, she say me can't fight back now. And me fling her on 2. She run and me run back her to the gate. And when me run back her to the gate, Raga girl end up at one place where I be, cause remember me no area, you know.
Yeah.
So she end up at one place where be a big stone and gravel eat there with some stone, you know. And when me turn up, when me look left, right, no stone, Raga.
What you mean? Not what? Was she? Oh, was she?
Raga, when me look left, right, me can't see nothing.
Was she? They got be a stone around her, but no stone never around you.
Exactly. So, but here one Raga member say me young and me fit, and me used to play dandy shandy at school. So everything she fling a stone beside me and take them up back and seal it back understand me, Raga? Raga, choosing me and tell about it, and me say me can't pick that.
Yeah.
So when time every single a stone me sight ya seal it back far no.
Yeah, man.
And so she can't manage me don't know where she run go like she go up in her tongue and remember tell us me no area. Right? I want place called Burke Road a old Daba. bad year, so me I live from one bad year to a next bad year. Yeah.
But
in the case, my year I did bad.
But you have a Burke that's Spanish tongue too.
No, old daba.
Yeah, okay, go on time. I'm sure them have a
The
Burke
Burke me attack, they're old daba.
the one
But me
where you
live
attack,
go, but
yeah,
me
okay.
live a March pen.
March pen, yeah. We know March pen. Yeah.
Yeah. So when me go know and the girl end up disappear, me go back in Ayaka at this time. Then time they me never learn about figure work with get next money. So I me fear me go with I me know say me a defend the money cause me nah left the money Raga. All the mother fishy run and go me nah left the money. So me I tell him say money me want to go. Me I say give me money. Make me go and me a the man see the remember at this point you know sleep with me yet you know.
But you know,
remember, say, him man no sleep for sure. Your man a wicked. Him man no sleep with me yet in a Raga. So, anyways, me didn't know. Evening I come down and me did when they look at the girl that draw near again. By me look, she come up. But this around 7 o'clock now. The girl that time still, the sister still have my son, you know. The girl draw up now and come. She come in her house. Raga me sit down at one end of the bed. The man sit down in her middle. And me sit down at the she sit down at the end.
so
And the next in her bed. I'm sit down and me watch it play.
man. You just say you still going at the house there with him? In a room there with him after that?
Yeah, come me chase her out her yard now. Because me tell her say me no know about her. She forgot attack her man. So she want to attack me so me have to show her style.
Yeah.
So she come and draw near now. In the house.
Yeah.
And sit down. So she sit down. So me 10 minutes go by, me no see no movement. The man sit down silent, she sit down silent, and me sit down silent. When me look half an hour, go up to 8 o'clock now. Cause remember me I tell about 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, I go in at 8 o'clock now. Nearly 1 hour, me still girl and man sit down the same meeting. So me get up same time, cause me tell us me have a little badness to me them the time there.
Yeah.
You understand? Right? And when me say, me get up and me say, wait, a King Solomon thing a go on in this. Me say, wait, you feel like you're King Solomon in this. Me say, give me money, me go on. No, wait, no, be me. Me say, the woman sit down there. Me say, alright. Me go put on a pot of water, Raga. Me go put on a pot of water. He get up now and he say, me say, me a put on tea for my son. And he said, so much water you put on. Me say, yes. Me go out and look at mint, so little mint. And me pick a piece, a little piece of mint, you know, if just do like a tea, me and me. Remember them long,
when him say tea then, oh yeah, boy, so much water for make tea. So.
Yeah.
So,
cause me know what me have been my intention.
Yeah.
So, you remember them Pepsi cup there, them long Pepsi cup there where you used to have some long straw?
Yeah.
Some long cup, man.
Yeah.
Back in the food there, you used to have some long straw.
No.
And one time, him get up, so every time me go I store now look on one time, get up, you know, cause I'm black me friend. Me say move next at me and make, I'm take up a cup, I'm chew the water in a cup. And get up, so me do like a tea. I say, where sugar there? Do like a sugar, me I look fast. You see, by saying, go look for sugar. Me come so young and that ship on the girl. She fly out her house.
Well, you dash water upon the woman.
Yeah, me dash water upon her, and she jump up, boy. And I use alcohol and sappy and something. So back this now, she come out her house, turn out her house. I did this long see me, because me still a defend the money, Raga. Me nah go LFE. Because my son needs snacks. Understand? I need money. So me never go LFE, Raga.
No, you know, easy, you know. But go on talk. Yeah,
man, me say she get up and pick up alcohol and I stop and me duck car with the water. And when me look, a police that me see come, cause remember say the place never they far from the police station night town. So anybody will know Burke Road would have know say they far from the station. A walking distance.
Right.
So when the police then come now, the girl starts spill her guts, cause you know them a lock up man for weed and start telling the police then say man have weed in their house and them a sell weed or something. And me burn her up right at this point. Me not no chattings with nobody, you know, cause you know match where them come from when I really talk to police.
Yeah.
So me turn up there and me leave him for go deal with that. Me say go deal with that, you know. And me leave me no know when do. Me no know when say we fin give them piece of money come remember she spill her go say have weed and she want a TV come end up total her basket, you know. Her basket her clothes, me throw them out.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
So Raga, me cannot feel a way after, but the point of the matter is you have someone will lead you in a danger. Because this man never tell me say him have a woman, this man not much as tell me say him live with that woman.
Yeah.
You understand? And then the woman attack me. Suppose me couldn't fight Raga.
For real.
So she come the police and me throw out her basket or something. You understand?
Wait, what kind of basket? What kind of basket?
That's why I got come never want her man.
What kind of basket? What you mean our basket? Like one of them little plastic
clothes
basket?
I don't know a clothes basket.
Yeah,
them plastic clothes basket.
Yeah.
That she having at the house.
Yeah.
Yeah. With her clothes. And you will me get big struggle, me never want him man.
Right.
I never want him man. Cause I stay from out there so I smell him bread from out there so.
Oh, him bread kind of high, kind of strong though.
Aquarius, the sister-in-law, they still have my son. The sister-in-law still have up my son after everything, man. And so I'm telling man some more. So like then he like in name one leg off my money after me ready for money for God. So I say, cause me did have some little bad people when me grew up with down there. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Don't a marshman road me have to make 2 calls. I say, come like you want me make 2 calls. I say, no. And if anybody know marshman or know Ragic, they know me a talk about. So me have to call up them and
but you know who? Radrick, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Radrick used to run our pen.
Yeah, man, down a long time, but you know without 2.
Yeah. So Radrick used to run the place. He used to run off the place same time. So you didn't get the money?
Of course, I'm in the left Raga. I'm in the left. I eat me go there far.
Yeah.
And first I make woman come work me in the left.
Man, I left the money.
I eat me go there far and I eat me have to go back to my yard with.
Yes, man.
Okay. And I saw me end up getting money and have to go home. Cause me say after me go home a black, cause me not see back from that. A long time after, much years after me see him. Me see him back. Cause me here say the girl I'll end up go back to him again after him do that. Until she left him and me don't know what go on with them, but yeah, me end up left him after nobody deal with him after that, cause me I say him could have make me lose my life.
See. No, I want crazy thing that him go just bring you up this so and the woman dead there in the house and him knows she dead there and thing and make sure rush them way there and him knows.
Wicked man.
Say have you look
no, me couldn't burn him up in a Gaza bus cause here wife, me burn him up, me not go get him money. And she come attack me when her man carry me her yard. Attack your man cause him carry me there.
Yeah. No, Gaza boss, it's easy for you to say that, but you know them thing there, you know, when your main concern is a person who want to fight you at that moment, you know, a person that you have focus on, the one who want to rush you, so, you know.
No, it was her sister-in-law, you know, Vivina, brother, woman.
No, don't do that.
I'm kind of having to talk in the area.
No, yes, when you call me, you can't just run constant commentary and react to the chat here. I mean, you chat too. Okay, I mean, run the show. Right? Because them go on like them want to run the show, you know. You know. Right? I saw them time. Them go on like them want to run the show. And you see, once you go down that door there, them go skip and go on conversation with you. Nah, man, don't worry yourself, man, and think. Boy, so back in the days, a good thing you could have stand up for yourself and defend yourself, don't.
Yeah, man, come and that carry me make girl and her friend them beat me, man. Cause when some other girl that come and him run them with too. So other woman and some woman cuss me out too, you know. And I say, well, how you woman? And this and that. And me have to run them where I say, me don't know nothing about the woman and him man. He why not go fight him man in my country and fight me. And me tell her, say, me don't know nothing about she, man, not tell me nothing.
Yeah.
I was so surprised and so she did surprise. Cause I just walk up, come see her house with a woman and clean it and the man say me if it come.
You know, him a wicked man, him shouldn't do that to you, man. But I'm glad you survive it still. See, no say a word, man. Big up yourself. So when you say I put more your ends out there now, don't?
Yeah, man.
Big
no,
up
this I'm back up. Oh, yes, I'm not answer.
No, do that. No, do that. Cause that's what they intend, man. That's how you chat. All right, big up yourself, respect for that one there, it's spicy.
Big up Braga. So that was just my little encounter one back with me in the 90s.
Back in the idea, when you show about pandemic in the world.
Back in the idea.
Back in the day. So you're a good girl, you know war nobody a woman over man and them sitting there now. You know do them something.
No, sir. No. Me not do them the thing there again. Me not do that. As I say, I don't war. Me go war nobody. I defend myself.
Yeah, all right. Now say a word, man.
That's a different. Cause you have to defend yourself.
Oh, you mean? Now, you never ask that. You come by here, you're not going to sit down and make a girl come punk you out them way there. All right, big up yourself.
Exactly, you're mad.
Yeah.
All right, big up, brother.
Mad, cool. Okay. Yes, I. Energetic looking mix up there. Betrayal mix up, any other mix up one have, Ragashanti life on the app, TikTok thing, big up on yourself, all ANC massive, big up, all SDC massive, big up, right? Andrew, big up yourself, Kimberly, right? King Lexus and the whole crew, Aquarius SRT, Rummy and Messiah, Daniel, long time, Jojo, them know, one Jojo around here. Ice Queen, bang, badang, bang, bing. Cheryl, a Jamrock sitting, a Jamaican sitting. We deal with right now. Betrayal mix up or any other mix up one have. Send on and don't hang on. Greetings. Beer, big beer.
Greetings, brother.
Yeah.
I'll tell you this real quick. Me get in trouble last night.
I lie.
I get one call, said nurse administrator wants to see me upstairs. When I go upstairs now, usually when administrator call you, they want to talk to you about patient complaint or patient make statement or whatever like that.
Yeah.
I go up there to her. She say, you're there on the phone with patient. It's a Jamaican administrator. So you're there on the phone with patient. I say, I have to take a call. I have to take an emergency call. So, yeah. You're there on the phone, Raga. Oh, you're there on the phone, Raga.
I saw that coming.
Raga, when me look, that means you have a phone and you there on the screen, you there on the live too. I say, we are come mess with my mind, man.
I need proper blender. Listen.
Yo, that bad.
Yo.
There's another emergency. You know about the phone with Raga food.
But alright, she said she didn't want betrayal story for me to tell you. She said she didn't want to call and tell you, but she tell me to tell you.
Yeah, so she gave the mix up and give I love it.
Yo.
This is dry your part. You're about phone and you're supposed to that work. You're about phone with Raga. All you mean is you. Because me listen you too. And me hear you on the phone. So here we're going right now. I want to mix up, but me want to call and give him, so you...
See him, so. But you don't want nobody here. Let me hear it and carry on.
Yeah, gotta mix up and run. Let it go.
She said, our sister come from Jamaica and meet one man.
Yeah.
Right? The man want drugs, man. And them a deal and a move and whatever like that. Our cousin, Sisse, our cousin, Sisse, see them cousins, she say that the girl I get good loving from the man.
Yeah.
So now she move in now and she come at the house more often than usual. When the sister gone to work. And one night now the sister come off and work now and see the cousin in the house a cook. And I know usual something that. So we are there. So if you say I want to cook for no man, I buy some food and I want to cook for no. That time the man in the room. And she in her kitchen a cook. Guess what she a cook?
What? Stew peas?
Stew peas. But that's a red flag number one.
Red flag. Yeah.
So they say she a move now. The sister called the other sister when me know now the administration. She say, yo, such and such there and she make stew peas and you know she do and thing like that. She say, tell you for a long time, say she tell her sister for a long time, say, watch any woman around your man.
Yeah.
And next thing you know, she said, listen, you have to leave here now, you know. Me they home now, me appreciate the food, but you have to leave here now. You can't stay here.
Yes. Get to step.
Cousin go to her and say, yo, me have a song for play for you, because I have to make you know something. She play one reggae love song, Stealing Love on the Side.
Who play that song?
This the cousin where did they cook the stew peas?
Play the song for who?
The wife.
Why?
Stealing, you know that love song that
me know Stealing Love.
So that means that she has steal love on the side from the husband. The
But
cousin at there with the husband.
But why should have brighten? Me get it, but me still not understand how should have brighten.
Because same time when the husband are there with the wife, the husband are telling the cousin is saying soon leave the wife and he want she. So she and I ain't nothing say she are number one.
So I hype on the wife now. I say, I have a tune for you. I have a tune for you. No JC lad sing that song then. No JC lad sing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have a tune for you. A bantaning song and I say Stealing Love on the Side. Yes. Body a share.
Disrespectful, man. Disrespectful.
So what the wife do? What the wife do?
They fighting at the house.
The wife not throw the stew piece pan her.
No, that's if you do. But see, they throw it para. They just fight in the house and kick her out and then say they not talk fan then.
Yo, you know, different they do, you know, big beer. Yeah, some woman when they take an ex woman, man, you know, a bad girl something, you know.
Yo.
Yeah, man, yeah, some woman, man, me see some them woman. Yo, me see a woman, all when they bust up me, a woman said, I want you, man, I like you, man. I like you, man.
And then again, to Raga, you have to look where the man I tell the next woman in her ears. Where you fill her ears with.
Yeah, nah, but you see, well, some man different still, you know, because I'm sure because in the house with them wife I go on them with them, nah.
Exactly.
Some man not smooth with them thing, man, and not govern them thing. But me know him probably just never respect the wife at all.
Exactly.
Yeah,
like you say, you know, bring people come out your yard and do them thing. I disrespect that.
Yeah, when you born your woman, you have to protect your woman.
Exactly.
Yeah, when you born your woman, born with respect. You have to protect your woman when you born your woman. You have to protect her same way. And care what you go through or whatever, you understand. Protect her same way, man, you understand. John.
Yeah, man. And real quick, like I said, laugh, learn, and go. You know, I get a little feedback on the thing that we talked earlier about the girl where I take the diuretic.
Yeah, I'm sure that's the. I mean, I understand it. People were talking to a registered nurse here because
we see a lot of patients in the emergency room.
Yeah,
where them take one pill when they buy in a store.
Yeah,
it's supposed to be like weight loss pill, but the main ingredient of the weight loss pills are diuretic because most of people then see said the water weight when they carry.
Yeah,
is the weight they want decrease for make them lose weight. So they take that pill there. And if you try to decrease the fluid and the water weight, that's why it's called diuretic.
But why? How can that make you vomit?
Because when it does that, when you're taking the diuretic now, you mess with your electrolyte. It causes an electrolyte imbalance.
Oh.
And the first electrolyte it attack is sodium. If you lose sodium and it goes out of balance, and you have too less sodium, you can become disoriented, you can pass out, and you can also vomit.
Oh, people, you see, they're a qualified person are telling her where I go. Okay, me see where I go on this, so me see what. And it look like she must give her enough then.
Yes. We make her go land an emergency because we get them all the one, man.
John.
Young college people, they might do them thing and they might take this fit, try lose weight, fit look less, meaty or, fit look sexy, fit them date or whatever like that. And they might then not eat the food when them towards the daytime or whatever like that, and then next thing you know, them pass out and then vomit and all kind of thing.
I did hear the word diuretic, but at the same time, when the doctor did attack to her, I know it sounds inconsistent, but suppose when the doctor did attack to her, the doctor did basically tell her, I said, no man, you take some kind of washout. I mean, he never used the word washout, we say washout. But the doctor did say, you take some kind of washout. Yeah.
Yeah, they have different brands. Some brands have different ingredients to it. Some have just the diuretic ingredient to it. Some have the diuretic and like the washout part to it where it make you eliminate everything out of your bowel system.
Yeah, some can have both. Yeah, you can have because washout is also a diuretic the way we do it, because them tell you, say, drink enough water when you take washout or whatever,
Right.
Yeah, because it literally
You want to
wash
replace by the
you
water you
out.
lose.
It a wash out. Yeah, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, for real. Yeah, man. You know, before you go real quickly, could you just emphasize to the people and say, in winter, even though a cold time and on a summer or hot time or whatever, it's a time where a lot of people become dehydrated and it leads to all kind of complications. Explain that to them for me.
You can get dehydrated very quickly in the winter because you put on layers, so then now you have sweat. So you lose fluid from that area. If you're not drinking enough water, or drinking enough fluids while you're out in the cold, that's another thing. And then now
the heat,
it's a matter of
the heater where you run too, you know.
Yeah, it can dry out if you're not if you stay on the heat all the while and you're not drinking enough water, you're gonna dry out.
Right. And what happened is, I know a lot of Caribbean people, they don't think they need to drink as much water in the winter like in the summer, but they do. And you know.
And another thing people need to learn too. Another thing people think is a myth. Drinking alcohol is not being considered hydration. Alcohol dry you out faster. People today drink rum and drink vodka and say, may I get my fluid.
Yeah, and through them I chase you with cranberry juice or Pepsi or whatever them things. No, but the alcohol itself, you know, account or whatever liquid you have a chase it and thing. Big deal, you know. All right. Yep. And by the way, for those of you who don't know, this is very important for you know, you may have headaches, you may have all kind of look nauseous, look something, them look a thing that even your sexual performance, your capacity to concentrate and whatever, believe it or not, your hydration is related to all those processes, you know. So drink up on a liquid drink up on a water in a winter, people. Drink up on a water. All right, my general, big up yourself. Always a pleasure. Yeah. I'm big up your boss to me here. Big up your boss to me here. Big your boss to me here. All right, cool. See.
All right, cool.
Yeah, man. All right, Big Bear. Yes, a Ragashanti life on the app, you know. Miss Cherry Wash Belly see me, you know. Miss see me, big up Miss Cherry, you know, she did and gone, you know, but we no left her out. No, her name of a call. Big up Mama Cherry from Mile Gully St. Mary. Oh, she said it. The boy, they are rep. And I have fun, see him where. I'm proud of himself and him thing balance up and all them thing there, whatever. You understand? Big up Miss Cherry, man. Right? And Miss Cherry, me can stand up to the ANC, you know. Yes, them can't do me nothing. Cause I'm afraid of my mother. Cause my mother will come drape them up and shot them couple box. The ANC, them can't do me nothing. You understand? K-Bar, Raga loves you, boo-boo. Big up yourself, you know. All right? Large up and thing. You don't know, so your ratings lock and seal. And you don't know, since me a big up all like Mountain View people, them too, you know. Yeah, anything off of Mountain View, Backbush, Jarrett, GX. You don't know the levels, down. Let's big up on yourself, man. Go all over the Warwick side there and thing, and Norman Gardens and them place there and thing. Seeing anything off of the Windward Road, big up on yourself, you know. And I don't know, you know. We have foundation in this. Large up all of my East screw them, seeing? Okay. From hot steppers days and all them thing there and whatever. Yeah, big up on yourself. With up on betrayal mix-up or any other mix-up one have. Betrayal mix-up or any other mix-up one have. Make you hear what go on. Anybody who betray you and think, call in and tell you what go on. Or if you betray somebody.
Raga, it's me again. I see him single here. I don't know if we can get to mix up in that one.
Wait, are you this? But what
yeah, that was my backup page. The same one man went through the hot water pan.
Yeah. well, talk it quick, because some other people there if you come in here, so I don't want them vex with me. So talk it quick.
Yeah, me I talk it quick, man. Yeah, this how many live by you see? Now my house you live and end up give me one because me deliver power also a tenement yard.
Yeah.
You know where it go.
Yeah.
So The girl, them when they leave the car for them go friend, cause the woman they have a daughter where go such car, go friend, but me not tell her go friend look who that sitting. See me man, don't give me bun with the go.
Your man born you with the
So
go-go.
yeah.
And then what
So me
happened?
not say nothing to him man, cause you see true me know a man stay and me and a bun I know but me a bun a back her. Right?
Yeah, born
So
back her.
he give me body the go. And I deny everything. So when the woman talk him, I say, oh, woman are never there. Woman, same time she come and hear me, I say so. I say, what you say? And she start reload everything. Right? From Exodus to Genesis. She tell me everything we go on the night. I say, remember the number we call you? When you tell us, I go up my mother, and me and him. And that's what she a go on. You don't know me not do better, man. Because when we are give me upgrade. Because him did a walk foot, so me take an upgrade, man, we a drive. Then time there, flat screen just a come in. Me guy, man, yard and the AC and I watch plasma.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So me and him catch up. Catch up me be a face. Rather me I make it quick and fast. Because
Yeah.
the page I'm not really want enough people follow back at me on the page. So too, Raga.
Yeah.
Me say me a burn him back and me face the pan top of it. Him a come give me chat. So me just say, yeah, you give me bun with go-go, but what? Me there for me man yard and the AC.
Yeah.
I watch flat screen.
Plasma,
Me
yeah.
only yeah, cause we house then near the roadside, and I get us so everybody are here, and
Yeah.
the people they start laugh out. My man they do nothing, they grab me now me throat. So you grab me now. Me dey have a dining table. Me have me blender pan it. When me lick him in the head with it and it broke. My man give me a straight right. Raga, one piece of sit, me say straight right, you give me a blood come to me nose hospital, me have to end up. You see how man wicked? He give me
Jesus.
one but he back, he couldn't take it back.
Yeah, him couldn't manage a flat screen bun there. Mash up him head the AC flat screen bun there, mash up him head and come and grab in
Yeah.
your throat. So when him grab in your throat, you just let him have it with the blender. You just blend up
Yeah,
that thing
because in
and-
there, I don't know about 2 year people, they start laugh now,
Laugh
because we
now.
live near yeah, and so we are near the road where people them a pass the area that live here. Me a
Yeah.
cuss can be more loud.
Really? You're more
Some of
loud?
them tell us, say, give me bun with a bun.
Yeah, we would have never
man.
we would never think that. So you say that the man did a drive a Honda, him did a give bun with go-go. So you get a Honda man who get a Honda AC flat screen bun, you put pan him and thing and mash up
Yeah,
boy
one
head down.
Yankee. He not even live in Jamaica. One Yankee me give back
yeah.
bun with.
Yeah, oh you mean upgraded bun, oh you mean I saw no woman
Yeah,
tan, you know.
Raga. But one next time I come for your program, I tell her one time one of my ex, him did call, him did a cup himself and me have to call my bad man friend. Me still tell about and he run with the 2 burner stove. But that have to one next time.
Yeah, give it the
Take
2
care.
burner. Yeah. All right, give me that one next time. You know, she a real bad girl, you know. I like her, you know. Yes, that. What more links she don't know, yeah, man, I understand. But you know, she have that something that when me grew up with, you know, that ghetto something there, you know. Yo, big up everybody who come from ghetto, you know, because when you hear she talk, our people, them, don't. Yeah, big up all of my ghetto people, them, and thing, when you know about that something there and thing. When she said the boss have to run with the 2 burner stove, I don't want nobody laugh have a 2 burner stove, you know. Hey, my mother, you know, a country woman, you know. So when we grew up a coal stove, my mother used to work with. Coal stove. I don't know a coal stove, look a coal stove. So you know, say my mother save up her money and thing and whatever and pay down for one 2 burner gas stove. And you say anytime my mother buy anything new, you that thing say a royalty something, you know, man. You can't even touch it, you know. She just all sit down and just all look on it, you know. Anything, you know, you're poor people and you know really have it like that. So when you get to look at new something. So remember she was like that with the gas stove. She was like that with something named changer. Now young people, changer is a little phonograph thing we play records. You can play a 45 or LP. 45 is a little small record, them. Our LP is a big one, them. So no matter they buy our changer, And for whatever reason, I don't know what happened with the changer, but every time them after a while, you have to put money on top, you have to pay up on money on top of it feet, stay down when it a play. And my mother about the gas stove, the changer, and yeah, one time she did buy some chair. She buy the chair and I couldn't buy the table. And she buy the chair and the table would have to get somebody to make one table. Because you get somebody. We don't call custom this or custom that. Back in our day, poor people get the thing them custom built and rich people buy retail. So now it's the opposite. Every day people buy retail and rich people get it hot couture, custom built or whatever. But back in our day, in every community, you have a shoemaker, you have a dressmaker and thing and whatever. You have a carpenter, you know, who make bed and make bedded and make whatever this and that. Are them things that we grew up with. So you did have somebody who make them something there. So you know, Miss Cherry never have money for stretch to buy the full bedroom, the full dining table set, you know. So my lady buy the chair them, you know. And of course, left the plastic on it. And of course, we couldn't sit on it. The only time we sit on them chair there, you know, Good Friday and Christmas. That was the only time we sit on the chair them. Until the chair them start get old and then you can't start sitting on. But when the chair them new and fresh, you can't sit on them on a Good Friday and Christmas. And when you sit on that, them time that them call the plate and the thing, them call them crockery. Yeah. Them call them crockery. That you call your plate and your this and the nice plate, them the crockery. And they say she did have our nice crockery. And we only eat out of them plate there on Good Friday and Christmas. Not even birthday and just Good Friday to praise the Lord and Christmas. Right. And then after we eat out of them there, me and my sister could have washed them. Neither me nor Marvelyn could have washed them. My mother washed them herself. And when she washed them like she in the Matrix. Because she frightened for them, you know. And she frightened for her crackery. When she watched them in a slow motion and thing with one soft cloth and thing and whatever. And when she done, she wiped them off and thing. And then she put them up back nice and thing and whatever. And don't go near Miss Cherry crackery. Right? And next thing when you used to go and say Christmas I come, there was a thing in Jamaica. When we grew up, you know, we never swore that was a common thing for we. Right? So a D&G used to run the place. But soda, you know, was a common thing. What was common was lemonade. What was what you call lemonade or quenchade or Kool-Aid. Right? And the quenchade and Kool-Aid was like a package, are two different brands. It was either quenchade or Kool-Aid. Then on Sunday, you know, so you get color juice, which is either quenchade or Kool-Aid. But during the week, most of the time, a lemonade. And lemonade, you know the contradiction with lemonade. It named lemonade, but it make with lime. But when they use lemon, it's not lemonade. In Jamaica, lemonade make with lime. But if they actually use lemon, it's not lemonade anymore. But anyway, it's a Jamaican thing. So back in the day, there was a big thing, you know, when Christmas had come, if you have some people who work at some big company, you know, I get to them there, you know, but them work like Jerry and nephew. I them work at D&G, they know and get this. I them work at some nice place, one thing. But what did happen now was these companies did give them employees, them always give them soda. And believe it or not, it was a big deal. So me and my mother used to walk and sell buckle, you know. We used to sell buckle on a Pishan Street. So we used to walk and pick up buckle and thing and whatever. Or when she go anywhere and we see buckle, we pick up buckle and we sell them and thing. And she would save up all year. And then my mother would buy one crate of drinks. And the crate of drinks were under the bed from November. And you can't touch them drinks till December come down, right? When Sarilla run to, you know. But them time the Sarilla run right throughout the year like we want to see now. Them time the Sarilla only come about December, you know, say Sarilla throughout, they make chumpy and them people, they tell you. When I seen a sorrel throughout the year, December before we see sorrel when we are grow up. Not Craig Tan tell you or Dr. Mac tell you. Right? So sorrel forward, but the big thing now was to get the D&G sword at them. So what when my mother would just start take them out one and you get to look at soda around Christmas time. I go down a New Year and you just arrange your soda, man. And who could I chat to you? Who could I chat to you them time that you're a star when you drink all your D&G soda because it's a regular thing for poor people them time there, Not talk little soda there, Yeah. And then my mother was a revivalist too, So the four corner of the creator a thing or whatever, it have to be 4 cream soda. And you can't touch a cream soda them. And for those of you who don't know, cream soda was the only soda where it was transparent, so it looked like water. All of the other one, them pineapple, orange, and them have them color. But cream soda look like water. But amongst revivalists, cream soda, transparent thing, water, have like this cleansing thing and whatever. It's a spiritual thing, So the cream soda was like the special thing with prayers and all them something there, and Miss Cherry. When then cream soda I drink, prayers and all them thing, I would give thanks and, But the other soda them, you drink a regular soda and them different, but the cream soda a special occasion thing, a God time. When you drink cream soda, a God time. If I don't even know, but and cream soda run duppy too, right? So if you have some little crosses or some people set out some duppy pan in your place and what, you shake up a cream soda and spray out them nastiness, yeah. I make it up in them runway. Kind of like cream soda. Yeah, I went up in them with the cream soda. Because if you do it with pineapple or orange or grape and them something there, and you went up in them, and that I want. Yeah, then I do that, nothing to them, yeah. Yeah, man, I tell you, the color soda them, then I do nothing to it up in them. You know, up in them, I try to get me to leave, but not leaving. Wet me up some more. I want, choose the pineapple for me, I want. But you see, when you give them the cream soda, a murder she wrote, duppy off a splurt round you. Yo, don't play with the cream soda. Yeah, the cream soda up there. Yeah. People may tell you, success is a state of mind, Happiness is a state of mind. Holiday I come, no found, nothing no there, which part you don't want it right, but me I tell you, say, I'm going to remind you, as much as things bad for no found right, you still have way more than when you did have when you grew up, and you did happy at them time they don't. Happiness didn't have a life them time. The weather dandy shandy marble. You are drink your tea a morning time, your chocolate tea, jokes or whatever. You come home from school. You gone over open land, gone kin pupa lick, dandy shandy, you look the girl them used to play or whatever, and all them something there, rain fall and we get plywood and make borders and in and when the water running and the thing and you pan legal light, Rika, and you're going like, that enough thing when I used to do enjoy on yourself, man. Remember when I used to eat crab, man, and thing and sit down and a bus big laugh. I want to climb June plum tree, I want to get to this and that walk and stone mango tree, get mango and all and sit there and then thing there, whatever. Me know no found I go through all kind of thing out there, man. But me just want to remind you, man. Remember, when I go through worse than this, I want to did happy at them time. Let me say it again. Yeah, we know it no 100 right now for no found, But when I go through worse than this, when I survive worse than when I go through now, I want to did happier than right. It's a state of mind. Happiness is a state of mind. Me telling all the while, me have my stresses them too, me have my stress them and thing and whatever. But me turn up for me couldn't laugh, so because I love this and it does something for me because it's a reciprocal thing, right? When me there as a phone, me I help me too, and then when make me laugh, me make gonna laugh and thing and whatever. And then me can all teach you and them look something, not just teaching, but just remind you too and whatever. Say, when everything now, right? Remember is that no care where you go through, you can still happy. Right? Me not minimize when I go through, because I know say enough people I go through it. I'm not minimizing it. I mean, no way am I disrespecting you, by diminishing your challenges and your tribulations that you might, be, dealing with right now. I'm just saying, do what you have to do. Step what you have to step up. But remember, sickness and all them something there, your ability, if when you succumb to sickness and whatever, sometimes I just, your mind stay, right? Anybody in the hospital can tell you, say, you have some people come in there sick, but them full of vibes and all them something there and whatever, and before you know it, them vitals and them discharge sure, whatever, and them I say, but yeah. So that Christmas sitting here come, the New Year sitting here come, all kind of drama going, particularly in other country, right? Big things are going, and we know so no fun I go through certain things. We're not load up this and that, and know me and talk about don't. Right? Right? But I just say, as much as I can, make sure someone enjoy the same. Yeah, every day is a gift, Remember, say enough of our ancestors dead for we there, So every day is a gift, so just be thankful and bust a laugh. And be silly. Be silly, be goofy, right? Right? There's nothing wrong with being silly and goofy and whatever, Follow Raga lead, Right? Be silly and goofy and talk about cream soda and dopey and all kind of sitting and whatever. I'm there for juggle with on too, All right? Right? I'm there for juggle with on too, because you support me too in different ways. And thing, so I work for you understand? Reciprocity. Just like how you go to church and the pastor turn up every day and whatever and go to some spiritual food. I say well there and go to some laughs too and all them things, some temporary distraction from your stress and whatever. And for all I want to own, I'm not worried about stress and whatever, but things are going good for you. Give thanks. Give thanks. And if you have some people in your life right who are very instrumental in you experiencing significant good fortunes right now, take the time to tell them thanks out of the blue. Surprise them. Surprise them. Let's give them a call. Say, my day I think and whatever, and all that when I go through and whatever, you really did it for me, And why say, may I give some, I say thank you, Thank you for when you did so and so, whatever. Thank you for when you so. And usually them good people, I'm like, no, don't worry about it. It's nothing. Don't worry. Tell them same way. Clot up them grass with it same way. Yeah. When you hear them, I say, no, man, don't worry about it. Don't mention it. But clot them up with it. Say, no, I want you to know. I want you to know. So boy, if I never for you, so and so, and you see what you did do, whatever, and this and that, and you say, even right now, you hold it with me, so give thanks. You hear me when you know that. So when you feel something, I take it. Because I remember, the tendency when we have, is we pay attention, we give more attention to the negatives, them, It's just a natural human inclination to do so. We pay more attention to the negative and I ignore all the positive, them. No, we don't have a whole heap of positive run, We don't have a whole heap of good run, but we don't have a look at dirty drunk who are stressing out and I get up every day I focus on the dirty drunk who are stressing out. Yeah, man, look at crosses, a fight against you and a bad mind, and you get up every day and you focus on the crosses with a bad mind every day and thing like that. Whatever. Remember, anything you water, that I go grow. Anything you water, that I go grow. Whatever you give more attention, that same energy they go generate inside of you. Right? Right? So if somebody all that come fast, yeah, more time you have to tell them, so come kiss out my butter pan. Right? Yeah, sometimes you have to kind of give them a little, shut them down and say, come drain me. And some people get more creative and things, some own language, and come broke your neck under me and full your belly and things. Them Jamaicans, something, sometimes you have it. But, no matter when them stress you, let's ignore them and say, what, may God go with you, because anyway you are go, if at some place else you go with God, now go, me not going with you. So have a nice day, Mr. Sir. Bye. And you keep it moving, okay? All right? Remember, everybody responsible for them happiness. You responsible for your happiness, me responsible for my happiness. Now, what anybody do to me responsible for my. I'm happy this winter. I'm happy for this December. I go happy on the app too. I want to happy with me. Somebody, all I want to write now, follow me. Stamp your right foot, wave your right hand and say, glory. Stamp your right foot, wave your right hand and say, glory. I'm going to be happy for the month of December 2026. Happiness, you claim it. Claim it. Say, I claim happiness. And dirty Eden and wicked people and crosses and all them something there and whatever. Get behind me. Get behind me. Run them nastiness. Claim the happiness. The happiness come. Yo, the little pitney them have one thing when them dip and writing and them say 6, 7. You know, I understand. If you have to be a parent to understand. With kids, we understand when we talk about it. 6, 7. Clear me happiness. Happiness, come on me. Wine up on happiness. Wine up on happiness right now. Bossa hot wine for happiness. Bossa hot wine for happiness. Curl it up, you know. Keep up yourself straight and just move your pelvis alone and wine up on happiness. See there? Wine up on happiness. What is that? Listen to me. We are happy. No one on the cell phone. Alright? Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to write it either. So I don't just go and juggle with me. Alright? I don't know if I'm going to write. See there? Savage thinks it did wine. Bossa wine for happiness, yes. Oh, you mean? Curl up on happiness, yes. Make happiness come sit on this and stay up in the happiness and thing. Mad thing, no. Spank all happiness and thing. Yeah. One of a happy man. All right. And big up the administrator of the hospital who probably, everybody in the hospital, big up Dr. Mac and the whole crew, Big Bear and the whole crew. Every healthcare worker right now, big up on yourself, you know, boy. I can see something going on, you know, I say people ungratefully. Look how the healthcare worker, them hold it through COVID and all and sitting there right, you know. And such man, I say, oh, nurse is not a profession. But you're not happy seeing me. All right? You're not happy seeing me. All right? Watch your right. We're on betrayal Mixup or any other Mixup one. Do remember, say Empress Milo can't cook. If you see her in the chat, she can't cook. Right? Milo, come to the front of the class, make the people them see you. So you can give her like cooking instructions and things. Right? She probably hide. Milo, come to the front of the class. ANC people tell you no ANC woman Milo to come to the front of the class and whatever. Right? Just help them out. And any little cooking advice you can give them, help them out. Yeah? Dream Trace, I love it. Mixup, is it? Yes, I watch it right, you know. And if anybody have any food we have the cook down, they can show we no food right now. If anybody have any food there and thing, that's my know we want to see some. Hello? Hello?
Good day. This is when you came to my house today. I hope all is well, though. Yes, everything's fine.
Carol.
Please come inside. Yes, let me get you something.
You know, say Carol asleep on the TV and.
All right, let's sit if it's okay, please. Okay. Thank you.
You Carol asleep on the TV and do. Carol.
Yes, Raga.
What's up? May I wake you up?
Oh my God, how comes I reach there?
Because we hear you asleep on the TV and.
No, I'm not sleeping. I'm watching my Nollywood movie.
You're watching
I'm listening to you at the same time.
Oh, okay. I thought, can we hear somebody? Oh, a boss you asleep?
No, Ian is on holiday.
Oh, who's on holiday?
Ian is gone on holiday.
He's gone on holiday. Oh, catch you with you.
Yeah, because he lost one of his brother in Jamaica.
Oh, condolences.
Yeah.
You know,
so it's gone down. But
So
how did I reach there though?
Are the powers, man. It's like my call for you and the connection come on. You know, so we think deep
Carol,
like that.
Carol, I thought you were calling someone else. I didn't know it was me.
No, it's what time it is now in London. What time it is now in London?
Now it's 1:45.
1:45 in London, right?
Yeah.
Nah, man, they don't know so we connection deep like that, Carl. You're going like you want to go around the thing. My years where I juggle. Okay.
Tell me about it.
All right, blessings, man. I give
All
you a
right,
yelling
Raga.
night. Yeah, man, love her
Yeah,
and I
man.
hear. Okay,
Love
cool.
you, Raga.
Love you too, Carl.
Bye.
Blessings, man.
Bye.
Cool. Mish KZJTI9. Hey, Raga, my mother's 93 years old and she loved the Mixup. Big up, mommy, you know. Nana, bless you, you know. At 93 years old, you know, say, you have seen it all. All right? And we just want to say from me and the TamFam, season's greetings, full blessings to you, Nana and thing, and you know, respect and honor to you. And if you hear me cuss a little bad word every now and then, ignore me here. Yeah, don't believe some disrespectful cause Miss Cherry raised me good, you know. But you know, my mother did ring, so I kind of ring to sometimes. I don't squeeze him a little bad word and thing. But big up yourself here, Nana. I love you. No blessings. All right, watch your right, people. Betrayal, Mixup, or any other Mixup one. It's all about a BL's night and thing, you know. And so Raga, so I juggle with the BL's someone the and thing. Hello? 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 Percy, I never want to come on, I think, you know. And going down the line. Betrayal, Mixup, or any other Mixup one have. Oh, no one never come up. Okay. Going down the line.
Survives. Show them.
Hello?
Please call or go online.
Hello?
Give to save to help save lives.
We're not itch. Next. Betrayal, Mixup, or any other Mixup, or what ya? Think a Marcy I come up, you know, with her can't cook self. What go on?
But I don't want to beat me last night,
But so wait, no. So when I say no, what you figure you see how people come up when they want to show with things that you don't know what you do. So what you
so me not afraid to admit. Okay, hold on before we go any further. There was a little flyby day, pitch by night, they did not the chat last night. Come to the front of the line, you know who me attack. The one we talk about them that could run go see who the idiot.
What
Come
the
to the front so
the
me
one
can
what? The one with what?
say me did have to run go look. Me don't know if I'm me she attack, but me want to make sure. Me don't know if I'm me or the lady before, but if I'm me she attack or the lady before,
No,
then
what she did say? What she did say?
Say she have to run go look at which idiot this. But that was right after the lady come off and right after me come on. So I don't know if she was talking about me or the lady, but either way, I want done her.
Yeah, she righty, but I
come to the front of the line. You know who me attack. Come, because you not fly by there because you not belong over here because you don't have no name, because you don't know your name.
Is who?
She don't have no name, so I don't know her.
She don't have no name. Done her nastiness then.
Miss No Name.
Yeah.
Miss No Name, where your face tough like my veranda tile. And you, me attack, come to the front.
Beat her, butter
like you can't play with me because me make, you know me and everybody cool and true. Them say me nah no punchline, the one I don't want to come go like you don't want to come for me. Miss Lady, don't come for me unless me send for you. Come to the front of the line so me can done you.
See it there.
Run up and come get done up.
No, sir, ain't see go bust that they gonna lead. Me tell you, know. Me tell you that this shot from me boss, you know, run up and come get done up. Yeah?
Run up and come get done up. She not come, she afraid. She thinks I'm nice. She say me humble myself, she think me nice.
Yeah, cause would I make a clash. Go on to
well, that. Well, I wish you there, rotten fruits. Come to the front of the line.
Rotten fruits. Yeah. Stay bad apple. Yeah.
Alright, Raga, let me try this again.
But you don't know what you do.
Send me request. Send me. Me ask me something, Raga, me never never did this before, so.
You never do it before. But it's my job, you know. If you never do it before, me teach you, me for teach you how to do it.
Raga, teach me, Master
Nothing
Raga.
wrong, man. Me like them something. You know, do it before. Me tell you what you have to do, man. I'm a patient. All right, watch out now.
All right. So.
Me send you the invite.
See you.
All right.
I think we got it.
Yeah, all right then.
You think so?
Yeah, man. I think yeah.
No, you do something wrong. You touch something wrong. Me no want no say nothing in that chat.
All right, well on.
Tell me what you do.
Yeah, all right. You see it now?
Are you Raga? You support? Are you? Me I tell us, are you? Do that. My friend, Christina Brown Sugar, my friend. Tell me what you do, yeah? I've never done this before. I've never been. Raga, you're the only live when me ever come back. I never go find nobody camera. So me don't know.
Well, let me see what it's right. You.
Christina, I do.
You're right.
Camera. See me turn on the camera there. Me hit the turn on the camera.
All right.
No, me can't see the comments in the Raga, so you have to look and tell me what them I say.
No, me not see it. Come on. You say you
turn on the camera and then me see one button that says see me. I go click that.
See, yeah, come on now. Don't touch nothing. Don't touch nothing.
I think the first time you touch something and take it off, Raga, it was you. Me not touch nothing.
All right, me not argue with you, me expand. Because me not argue. See you there now. All right then.
I'm not me here for you, see?
Do what you do a show with the food now?
I need to flip the camera, Raga. Shut up. You know, see, you got to teach me. Tell me what to do.
No, you cannot know. So we cannot know. So
yeah, but you're
with
saying
the food.
Me, I need to flip the damn camera. That's
but
what I need to do.
mean, then you for do that, you for do it now.
I know, and that's what I'm trying to do.
Jesus.
Raga, calm down.
No, mama, good man. Then you know, see the simple look of something that's a switch, you never switch
and
your camera.
I'm telling you, I don't see it.
See it there?
Now I see.
Yeah.
All right.
Well on. Before you do that, go back to the purple knife set. Make us see that purple knife set.
See there. Purple is my favorite color.
Are your purple knife set there? Okay. It look like I use it. Okay, sure. I want them there gizzard of them.
Of course I do. Yes.
Are you making gizzard of them?
I mean, make everything we're making when we eat.
Okay. Well on. The gizzard are over to the right. Somebody bite off piece or the part they never come out.
No. You probably covered with one other one.
Okay, look.
It's on top of something.
Okay. So tell the people them why I mingle a gizzard. What the brown some? Tell the people them what that.
With sugar and vanilla and cinnamon.
Coconut
and
with sugar, vanilla, cinnamon, and ginger.
Ginger and nutmeg.
And that is what we Jamaicans call gizzada, right? It's one of
And then the one right there, so it's pretty much the same thing, but it's closed. It's called coconut tart.
Wait, name coconut
tart? So the
tart?
coconut inside it. Yes, the coconut inside it, but actually closed up like a patty.
This is really nice, because when I go to Southeast Asia, they're really into coconut over there. So this is a reminder that we use coconut a lot in our pastries and in our cuisine also. So that is gizzada and that is coconut tart. And the gizzada is like, when you sip on the back, there's like a little crust, like a little dough crunchy crust. Like some of them soft, some of them crunchy.
So that is made with sugar?
Yes.
Not sugar, flour, butter. You use flour and butter, and then you have to incorporate the flour and the butter, and then you have to use, like when you need it, but the dough you use cold water. Yeah. So that way the butter won't.
Them always get that something. All them always get it for shape. So that the thing. Them set.
What do you mean? You have to. Yeah, man. I mean make it from scratch.
Yeah. So you have something where get that shape because that's a distinct shape from where I grew up. That.
No, I use. you use something and like you cut out the shape and then you use your fingers to pinch the size to make it like that.
Oh, see, the Moroccan pizza, you pinch it. Oh, you know what I mean? You know that? Me just
They
go
you
back.
don't call it pinch me side, they call it that, you know.
Why name me what?
Pinch me side.
I lie.
You never hear that name before?
No, I don't name for you. Pinch me side.
Some people call it that. Yeah, for real.
No, man, me learn something to them. I never know. Me just always name it. There's not that.
All right, and then this.
Hold on. It's not that me name things when I don't know. I don't do that. I'm just saying. Okay?
You just never hear this than you call it before.
Yeah. So, I want them the peanut cake. I want that peanut cake.
Yes, Raga.
You have to talk in my phone. You know, you're not used to phone. You know, this is peanut.
Me talking. Me having the Bluetooth. So yeah.
All right. Is that 4 cake or is it 1?
No, it's like a couple. More than how much in there? Because I dropped off some today because somebody ordered it.
All right, take up one. Make me
So
see you
it's
take up one. Take up one. Make me see you take up.
Well, I'm Raga. See it there. See one there.
Ah, nice. That is what we call
Okay.
peanut cake, which is different. And tell the people.
And you have to be careful when it. Go ahead.
Explain to the people with the whole sugar thing with that how it make. Tell them.
So you have to put the peanut. Okay, so you can't do it either. Everybody do it different. Me, what I do is I put the sugar in a little bit of water, put it, make it boil, and like it when you see start getting a little caramelized. I add little spices to it. Where I put ginger, little, whatever. And you make the sugar. When the sugar start caramelize, you put the peanut in, and you keep stirring, just like you make coconut drops, just a little bit easier.
Oh.
And you just keep on stirring it until you see them start like you see them start come together. Then you drop it. Normally with that Jamaica we use banana leaf. Rather know much banana leaf are foreign. We used to take and stone that. We have to buy banana leaf by the pound.
Get out of here. You serious?
I swear, ask anybody in the chat. Ask anybody.
What you said
like
to me?
farmers market. Yes.
And that banana leaf we have to buy by the pound.
And it's not cheap. Like $2 and something a pound. Or cheaper.
So if you make look no and all them something you have to go buy the banana leaf by the pound.
Yes.
Damn. I never know that, a school, ask a class when you know. So, what?
So then you drop it. I use foil paper when I don't have access.
Yeah.
So I just put it on foil paper and you just shape it out. So that way they don't look chaka. You understand?
So what on?
And
The only difference between them call this nut cake 20. The only difference between this and drops is just a coconut?
Yeah, that's the only difference. It make the same way.
Oh. Okay, all right then, cool.
It's a little more harder because you have to stand and cut up coconut.
Yeah, the way we make you have to cut them up in them little small pieces there. Whatever.
And then that's right here, sir.
Oh, see, drops then. Me say, my neighbor string they cut pan drops when I grew up,
I come like me.
Jesus.
Yep.
Yes,
but it have to learn to make it Raga because me have a lady named Miss D. Me used to stop at shop every evening. I go from school and make coconut drops and buy coconut drops. That was my favorite. Not anymore though.
No, man, me used to love coconut drops. You know, when I wasn't a fan for and
this one, I don't like it either.
Oh, you know, sir. Oh, you know.
Because me don't like it neither.
No, but my sister did love it. What this name
My
again?
daughter, it's
What this name?
It's a Greta
No,
cake.
Greater cake, exactly, and thing. Me never really, but you put so much red pan I wonder when we grew up, I just red in
No, it's supposed to be red on the top and white on the bottom.
No.
Raga, you know what we are talking about. Ask anybody in our chat.
Well, me I go see what the chat say. When we grew up, I just red in the
the
middle. I
word
just say red in
red.
the middle. I just say red in the middle. What me say? Chat, she right? What am I say? Yes. Somebody said no, it will be in all over. Yeah, no, so most people agree with you. Most people agree. No, me not used to it with the full red eye tops. So
Me don't know who did that make you a greater cake, my love.
No, I just when we grew up I just red in the middle we like.
I mean I have any pudding right now, but that's okay. Just red in the middle, Raga.
Yeah. So what go on? What that there so now? What that
Black
there
cake.
A rock cake that?
Black cake.
Oh, black cake. What is the difference between black cake and fruit cake?
I the same thing. Everybody just call it different.
So what we call fruit cake, I eat same one named black cake.
And rum cake. Everybody call it something different.
So we have black cake, fruit cake, and rum cake in
Rum
Jamaica,
cake.
the
And
same
the
cake?
same thing, yes.
Okay. All right.
I don't have any pudding, but I do make pudding as well, and I make sorrel. I make me sorrel yet.
Okay.
So.
No, your fruit cake they look good, you know. Your black cake look good, you know.
Why, thank you.
I am surprised because I never expect it to look good because of you I make it, but it look
Raga,
good.
you know, say, Raga, let me tell you something. I'm proper good. I want to show you, hey, me want to show you my soup last night, you know. You don't want to come and see about your
no.
like the long out the road, them, I tell you.
Yeah, the long out the road last night and thing and whatever.
So this is what I have left for somebody order them, but today somebody tell me say they want some, so I sell them the one they left over.
Oh, you're going to sell that, but a black cake there.
All of them, I mean, I just say my cake, what me just, I mean, if you go ship and all these things. I do this every Christmas.
Oh, okay.
And sometimes people want it when it's not Christmas, and I do it anyways.
Okay. So, well on. It look like you work really hard, because the hand look like it need look lotion, you know.
Touch it. At the hospital, I work this, you know, my hand wash out.
Yeah, and they look dry and thing, and you know.
Man, me not lie, you dry
you know, stay bad Ragashanti, I go see it and thing and chew.
That's okay, Raga. That's just me work hard.
And me get along with you and me and you're good and whatever, I know me can banter you about.
You can't beat me, Raga. You can't beat me. I don't lie, you tell.
Yeah, no, the hand would do well with little George and dry.
You know what that tell us, Raga?
Yeah, work, and you wash your hand.
American chicken me a jerk.
All right, you see it. That's how the
and I'm sure so when you come over, you're not dead hungry.
That's right, and thing and whatever. As long as you make it and you know make somebody else go make it and come give and then
no, me love. Nobody can give me nothing for me.
You see it. No, man.
And I have to show you when I make my ice cream, because I make rum and raisin and granite ice cream. So when they make it,
you lie, man. You know if I make
rum and raisin. Absolutely.
You know if I make rum and raisin ice cream.
When I make it, I'm gonna call in.
Yeah, I want to see rum and raisin ice cream.
No, I make it two of them.
Oh. Moroccan pizza. Raga, a Moroccan pizza? No, man. Harold Brown said, Raga, mind to tie you in with the black cake.
And our black cake,
She not tie me, man. She not do me that. She not do me that. You really know if I make rum and raisin ice cream for you?
Maybe not to make any ice cream you want. Raga, anything where you see me like, I learn to make it.
Okay. Wait, you know some would I love to make me want an ice cream. You know some of them have little ice cream maker. You can't buy it on Amazon.
I don't, and I'm not gonna use the ice cream maker, and you're gonna see.
When everybody asks where you're located, I don't know. You see if you want to answer that.
Atlanta, Georgia.
Oh, okay.
ATL.
Watch out, ATL there, like. But Master, may I show you see how people careless? You see how people careless, Master? If we never there attack, you know, some people wanna run in and come at something and I tell BLI, you know. You know,
I would never say Raga.
Munch about you don't need an ice cream maker. Imply let's say she know how to make ice cream without an ice cream maker, you know. She don't know fat. Munchy, she are in a chat there. She don't know fat. Munchy for go man. Munchy don't know if make no ice cream. Right? She for go man.
I make it. I mean, I have my ice cream maker. I want to make pudding, like a lot of things we don't have right now, because I make everything.
I want to know if I make rum and raisin ice cream, man.
When I make it, I go call in and I go show you step by step. Since I show you when I make it.
All right, then, cool. You know, so I want to do more food something on the live. I want to do food something and thing, you know. Like, you say, I like how I can cook. One day I go cook and the food I go spoil. I don't tell me what I do, but there's nothing wrong.
Beat you and then tell you what to do.
That's right, nothing wrong. Auntie, me take the battering. Auntie, well,
man, a big batteration.
Your counter look good on your kitchen. Well, your kitchen floor look nice.
I see, me say, so my floor clean.
No, yes, and the stove look nice and clean. What ya?
Absolutely, I'm a fridge clean.
Nice and clean. Yes. And
let me show you something. I saw soup to look.
What?
That a leftover.
Where
So I'm
soup
not
there?
show you.
Where soup
I
there?
see there. You know see. You
Oh
know see.
God, that look nice. That look very
That's some soup
Jamaican.
for look. You should have seen the
That
pot of soup last
no,
night
that
and I
look
said,
very
Shanti.
Jamaican. Yes, Munchie running that she could have never make her soup look so correct. And look how the dumpling just nice and easy in them, man.
Me
Oh
say
my
I'm to tell
God.
you, the chicken put them on and at the bottom I go on themselves on the chicken pot.
Yeah, and thing and whatever. We look like you need one pedicure though.
No, Raga, I don't need look. Probably two of them.
No, me see you two of them a while ago.
Two of
And
them, Raga, I don't need look.
like them
Me
have
make it enough, so
challenges.
look.
Yeah, oh, them have challenges and thing.
No, look, probably see me two of them, I don't need no pedicure. Two
Well,
right. See that?
go down closer, man. Make we
No, I
see.
don't go down no close.
You
I'm
know?
quiet.
no, man.
Because
You
my foot
are.
there, must see ashy like one. Go on, come
No.
down to my shoe, just come up
Me like your stove though. Your stove a go on though. Your stove a go on with
thank
itself
you.
and thing and whatever. I mean, not lie. They look a purple obia knife, them and thing, them alright too. And thing and whatever. You know, can't me no way I do no purple obia knife.
No,
There.
purple is my favorite color, Raga. If you look at my phone case, my
Yeah,
earphone case,
yeah.
my cup, my Stanley cup, everything when I have purple. My scissors,
No,
everything.
one, you know,
My
so one
ceiling on my
time,
bathroom.
yeah, one time I wear a purple and black shirt and you did say purple is your favorite color. I think I recall you saying that. Yeah,
Purple is
yeah.
always my favorite. I have the scaling on my bathroom purple.
Purple,
Everything.
purple rain, purple
Because I'm
rain.
royal.
Royal, kind of mess a purple or royal color and thing. But
Royal.
no man look like you have skill
All
though.
right,
Yes,
so.
say you're not bad and thing and whatever.
I'm not fine at all.
You're better than the whole of the ANC them combined. Look there, none of them can make them something the way you make.
My
And
friend,
thing,
them, you know.
yeah.
Oh, my friend, them, you know.
All right. All right,
All
boo
right, go
boo.
and go take some more call. When
Yeah,
time I make
man.
something else
I
again,
really
call.
enjoyed all of that just now, what you just presented to us, just so you know, okay? All right, boo boo.
All right, and the people them know. You know, me don't do that something there, but you know, if anybody want, you can make them know.
Okay.
Me do that something there when me come infiltrate on people's life.
Right.
You never know if
man.
me do this. Me
No,
do that something
right.
there.
So people, she's in Atlanta and she's Marcia good as 41 on the app. So you know, see her there, so you can link her and thing if you're in that area there. All right? I say a word, man. All right. Blessings
All right,
and respect.
later,
Yeah,
then.
Bobo. Yeah, man.
Bye-bye.
Protection, man. Cool.
All right.
Yes, people, she depend on the app, the Marcia good as such and such and such. You can link her and do business with her. When you go over there for the business with her, you can just quietly get her look a bag with a look a bottle of lotion in it. Because we look out for each other around here and thing. And I'm sure she would appreciate look a lotion. I'm sure her hands and her two of them would appreciate look a lotion too. And thing like that. Just a suggestion. All right. Do remember, say, if you not watch me right now, you not follow me yet, follow me right now. All I want who I watch Ragashanti right now. If you not follow me yet, follow me right now. All right? Follow me right now. If you not follow me yet, follow me right now. Follow me right now. Reg, big up yourself. Diana Ferguson, I see you. All right? Paulette Elliott, large up, man. All right? Pauline Dinal, big up yourself. Blossom, large up, all right? Carol, big up yourself. Claudette said, leave my friend alone. All right, CJ. Blessing, Claudette Johnson and thing. All right. Here, all I want to know watch right now. If you don't follow me and follow me right now. Follow me right now. Also, you don't know the jail. If you don't do the heart me yet, do it. All right. What is a heart me? You see that orange heart right beside my name on your device? Just tap it. Tap it right now. And it will guide you to doing a heart me. Right? And it helps to the rating from a channel here and thing like that. It's a TikTok thing. All right. Delroy, big up yourself, you know. All right. Everything is everything. All right. So make sure you're following me. If you're watching right now, follow me. If you're not following me yet. And also, just touch the orange heart beside my name and do a heart me, okay? I will depend Junior Tucker. I know the Junior Tucker then. Right? Don't think that is the Junior Tucker. Singer Junior Tucker. Young people don't know Junior Tucker. The one who me at yeah. Janet Barrett, big up yourself, see? Yes, man. Raga, you can do a cook-off show sometimes. Each person in the box cooking on live. Yes, I want to do that. Yeah. Wait. Are the real Junior Tucker that? Yeah, the general say, big up yourself in a bossy. Ratings and respect, you know. Oh, got your foundation in this. Yeah, man, big up yourself, man. Right? Respect and honor. Munchie, but why y'all setting up Raga to fail? Munchie, I would be the organizer. It's a cook-off. Me not go cook. Me will cook because me don't tell us I can't cook already. You don't know, say, I me put too much salt in a bully beef. Right? All right, so no, that's all right. I me cook when name there with beans and put in the wrong beans. And I said, then I own them beans are so tough. Yeah. Yeah, see people that big up Junior Tucker there. People in my age group who don't know say Junior Tucker from our time, you know. Yeah. Yeah, the man that was star before social media and all them thing, they blow up and thing and whatever and thing, you know. See, big up yourself, Junior Tucker. JT, them for no dog. No, man, me want to do, me organize something there, you know, like a look a cook-off and then have like 6 or 7 or so people in the thing and them a cook. And then somebody said, no, it's not him. Somebody said, no, it don't look like it. Careful. But anyway, yeah, and just have a cook-off and then when people are present, me just bring them up big and make them see where them are cook and see the food where them are cook, you know? All right? We want to do some of that, man. Yeah, me like them look at food something there, you know? See? Junior Tucker, them I say, I know you know? Empress Milo, I feel I would win that cook-off. Jesus God. What a woman wicked. And she know she not cook. You know? What a woman wicked. And what could I do? All right, which day of the week would that be a good time? Because night time now go do. So which day of the week would that be a good time? Like Sunday people are relaxed. And it have to be like on a Saturday. What I say? Is that like on a Saturday after a Sunday? Friday. Dog bite you with a easy win for him. Nah, man, I think I'm near Saturday, you know. Saturday, all right. Saturday afternoon or Saturday night. Me ask me, I'm going to vote now, you know. Saturday afternoon or Saturday evening. Right? Saturday afternoon or Saturday evening. Afternoon, night, afternoon, night. Do a poll. How me do a poll again? Raga, when you come and Nassau Barbers come on my restaurant, it name, where restaurant name? Because all that I want to do, you know, it name Sweet Fingers Jamaican Restaurant. I like that name there, you know. John, I like that name there, you know. I would work with that name there, you know. Yeah, Sweet Fingers. You know? I mean, yeah, the lyrics I want to be. So, you don't know my name? I mean, name Sweet Fingers, you know. Come here. But knowing the Jamaican woman, them, I say, yeah, I know the finger my wife is sweet. You know, something else my wife is sweet. What? I don't want a sweet finger. Something else my wife is sweet. What? You know, Jamaican woman them full of chat and have good comebacks and all these things. No. Anyway. Wait. Raga, when she making the ice cream, make sure you let us see it. Raga, this is Pee-wee. Oh, you mean? Then that's the idea, man. It's about entertainment, you know, and walla in our culture, you know? You understand? That is the idea behind it. You know, somebody take a munchy phone, no, man. Somebody take a munchy phone over there and thing, all right? Here we go. Betrayal mix-up or any other mix-up one. Betrayal mix-up or any other mix-up one. Yeah, so with the BL is in.
Good night, Raga.
Good night, Kavi. What's up?
Good night, everyone. Raga, it's very wintry in England.
It cool over here to a New York.
Yeah, I think I'm dehydrated a little bit. You know, the liquid can't leg up on me.
No, if you're
no,
man, if you're dehydrated, then you have to consume the liquid. Are you prepared to do
you
that?
can't consume it other ways.
No, but if you're dehydrated, you have to get the water. You have to get the liquid.
A 2 hole we consume in a Raga, make you use another one Raga. You consume it down there so too. It's just that it make baby.
What?
So not consume, she consume it down there. She take it in. And digest it and all the rest. And it make baby sometime. But me just say a two, me go use the one down there so.
One down there so, okay, all right then.
And take it, me not swallow, you must say that.
You not swallow?
Not for us, not for
okay.
you. Not swallow for me. But anyway, Raga, me just call it for you one short little story.
Rinse.
About the girl and her 2 friends them where she have where swing both ways.
All right.
Well, I wouldn't say swing both ways, but them have fun sometime, I suppose. And then not man like that.
All right.
But anyway, now, one outright say she want a piece of the girl, and one sneakingly speak every other language except the speaking the language, so she want a piece of the girl. Now, the one was speak and say she want a piece of the girl. The girl no say with herself, say she don't want no woman, so she don't know where you are going with this, because over the years who don't know each other, you like to itch up, and the girl ever cuss. And I say, you love just itch up on people, say you love woman brethren, like they know that the girl don't swing that way there. Like it's very evident. She always a lick out and I said, stop itch up on me and real whatever. Right. But you get it in your head, me don't know, maybe a higher right there or something, because them time she never have no man.
Right.
And get the girl in her head. We say she want a piece of the girl. And come out plain as straight as day and say it, you know. Yeah.
So she want a piece of the girl.
Yes, but the girl like to bring them home. Yes, the girl likes to bring them home.
Why?
Because the girl like them something there. The girl likes to bring them home, so the girl just trick her. The girl tell you the story already, you know. She tell you the story already.
Well, and bring them home to bring them home to Miss Man.
Yes.
Oh, then you have to tell with that. Me did that thing say you like to bring them home by themselves.
That's a must to the man in it. The girl of her man.
No, but you have remember say people.
All right, fair enough.
What if people are listening and if them not follow me sure them not understand not know what you say. We know what you are say because we know who the girl is or whatever. But I guarantee you, what if people are listening be like, I'm lost. But
the
anyway,
girl of her man, right?
Yeah.
But the girlfriend want piece of her, and the girlfriend because she want piece of her.
Yeah.
Right? But the girl like to bring them home to the man.
To the man.
Because the girl like them something there.
Because the girl love to watch the man and sell them home.
Thank you very much.
But the girl, but the girl, what she bring home to the man, that girl, they want the girl.
So the girl just trick her and tell her, say, you know, I have to get piece of she, have to get piece of the man too.
Okay.
So that's why me tell her, say, when the girl tell her the story, she tell her, say, she never partake in it. She never partake in it because she trick the girl. And make she come take the willy. And
the man goes up, boom, and send it up on her, though.
Listen, man.
And she never get the girl.
No, for what? The girl, you know the girl not swing that way there. Where you come with them foolish stuff, Virgin?
No, but remember, said the girl.
Since you're lonely, and your body has
but remember, a girl pinch over there and say, boy, I look a thing and rile up in her.
Recently, this is just now. This is just recently situation attending, occurring now. Now. This is in the past, the girl that talked about.
Yeah.
Well, a few years ago. At the past, but a few years ago.
Right.
So she bring her, go make she get the hood, and then she not get the girl. Argument done. No, the other one now, when I want to speak up and say she wants some of the girl, But she speak every other language in the world for sure. So she wants somebody girl. The girl move, not the girl, the friend move, get to a new place, and the girl did kind of homeless. So she offer for the girl come stay with her for a while. No problem. The girl know from long time, so she swing around. You understand where I come from?
Yeah.
But another girl business that I'm a friend in a business where you want to do. You understand where I come from?
Right.
So anyway, now she move and get her a new place, and she invite the girl to come over to come live with her. And the girl go, cause as I said, she kind of homeless. I say kind of, she did have options. She homeless, but she had options. Anyway, she got there so, as her friend. So it's a 1-bedroom place. And then you have the living room and the kitchen in a one. It's a like a studio kind of look, but a 1-bedroom place.
Right.
Right. So you have the little living room here ready, so with the sofa and stuff in there, with the kitchen space in a one, and then the bedroom.
Yeah.
So the girl now decides that she asleep in the living room, in the sofa.
Right.
Now the girl don't have no problem sleep in a bed with her friend, cause that's no problem. You understand me? I come from, been there, done that already, but girl know where you're depend, and girl in your space now. Girl not going to no bed with you.
Right.
You never know what the catty can vex with catty over there and boom.
Well, yeah. A regular thing then. A regular
catty
thing.
vex because the girl should not sleep in no bed with her.
Yeah.
The girl vex and a cuss and a go out with herself. Listen, the girl couldn't believe it. The shock on her face like, oh, what the blood? I want this to confirm myself in a door, Jesus. What you mean? You vex and upset and cause because the girl want to come sleep. She don't want to come sleep in the bed with you. Sleep in which bed with who?
And you don't know where she pray. So
the girl not go in a no bed with you. Because the girl know what time of day it is. You know when you love somebody so much, you don't want no look at something to affect the relationship. So me don't want you brush against me too much in my sleep or look at something that make me go get upset and talk to you the wrong way. So me
and
rather
then go, and go juke her in her eye.
Me rather go avoid that and stay in the sofa and me not go back after the nether day blood. Sorry, the girl never go back after the
yes,
right. For yourself, so man, Jesus Christ.
Right,
but anyway, she never go back after the next day. For what? We don't want to damage the relationship.
Right.
Best to keep your distance. Yes, but I'm just saying it was so shocking to see a woman a cuss and vex over another woman. Something was she born with. It's unfathomable.
All right, let me ask you something. If a woman and a man involved, but them not do nothing yet, and the woman I tell the man say she not ready yet, but she go sleep over the man yard now, and I go say she need to sleep over in her panty, cause I saw she sleep at night time, but she want to sleep in her panty with the man in her bed and don't do nothing.
Why would you do that? Me personally, experience would never I would never do that.
But is there anything wrong with the man? I say, all right, if you sleep over, you can't sleep. So then, if we're not gonna do nothing, you can't sleep. You know, things say it's understandable that the man are gonna say that. Say, no, me and you date, and we, them reach a point about them a date.
She did make it clear.
What?
In fairness, she did make it clear. Even though I personally wouldn't do that, because me not put myself in a no room with nobody where me not no intentions of doing anything with.
No, me say if she said that, right, and then the man in response said, no, that can't work. Me not comfortable with that and whatever, You
then
can't sleep there, but cover yourself. But she said, no, me not sleeping like that. Me sleep, in a underwear.
So why, if she go tell us, say, them not going to do nothing, you want to sleep without drawers? What's the intention, sir? Well, me know what's the intention.
What you mean? She what?
If she tell us, say, she not come in there for joke.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
What you want to sleep without drawers for?
What him want to sleep without drawers for? No, I think you misunderstood. He was saying, no, cover up, put on more clothes, don't sleep like that.
Oh, but she's a wicked.
No, but her argument was like, No, be strong.
No,
Just be strong and be
Raga.
disciplined.
I'm a
Don't.
woman and she's
Yeah.
playing games with the
I
man.
play games with the man.
Yes,
Don't. Yeah.
Raga.
For real, man. For real.
She's playing
Yeah.
games with the man.
Mm-mm.
When me sleep, say for instance, I sleep at one friend yard or something. Me paranoid, me not trust man certain way. Nothing now come off of me, Raga. When me go sleep pants and everybody there for me.
Right.
Sleeping at everything, head to toe covered.
Right. All
So
right.
when
But on the other side then, does she have a right for say, no, man, I'm gonna sleep like that with anybody else. But hold on, listen. Is there an argument, a credible argument for her to make?
No.
Listen, is there a credible argument for her to make along the following to say, no, you're my man. We just not reach a point yet where we are going to sleep together. So I am comfortable around you and I trust you. And I want you to trust me too. And I want to feel like I can sleep around you without you thinking that I'm compelled to do what you want me to do sexually. Is there a credible argument for her to make on that side?
No.
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 Okay. Yeah.
Not when I know all man stake. Be fair, man. Come on, man. They're not as us.
Yeah.
Be fair. Why would you want to do that? So I'm saying a game should play with him. Why would you want to do that?
Yeah.
Like, I better you not sleep than if you're gonna sleep, they cover up yourself. He's a man.
That's what the man I said. The man I said, nah, you can't. They are saying,
the man I feel you. Like, come on.
Panty alone and your stiff breast them and bounce up and you hug up on me and whatever. Worse like we not do nothing yet and whatever. Clown, you want to come clown on bad man and all them something.
You want it, but she go like she good as your Raga.
No, man, some woman play them game there, you know.
And you have experience in a life and know about man.
All right, I'm going to tell you something, you know. It can be either of two things, you know. I can't tell you this as a man. It can be that she really serious, you know, and I just such a juggle. And she may end up do it with him at some point. But you have another set of woman, you know. And you know, up here, no means no and all them. So, but you have another set of woman who do that, you know. And I kid you not, you know, go to them friend like, and the only idiot don't even come at me and this and that, even though I tell him say nothing do nothing.
That's why in my younger days, Jesus Christ, man, big people don't do them something.
Uno do them something they don't and
in
say.
My younger days.
I tell him say him not for trouble me and whatever this and that and thing, and the boy don't even come take it.
Yeah, go like you're good and say tell him no. Him touch your tooth, them start no man, they turn in your skin, yeah.
Because you don't want to do that look a fight off something there and thing, but I give no one give and then whatever. But you see, the challenge for men is like, is to know which woman is like that and which one, because nowadays you know what can happen, you know, two man they are jail and prison for all kind of foolishness now. You understand what I'm saying?
It's true.
Yeah, you know.
Knowing the line that like, I don't know how them I go get there, but enough time a lot of us the no actually means yes, but for some woman crazy, yeah, man, I don't know how to explain it to you. Something wrong with them. In the comments, when they can't say a lie, me I tell. As me saying, in my younger days, I did all of that crap. But
no, for some woman, them with their own some man and no mean no. Them with their own the same woman with their own next time and no mean yes or whatever. The other man for no.
Yeah, confusing, isn't it?
See.
True. And one last thing I have to say before we go, Raga.
Yeah.
The lady come up and complain. People, everybody over here, the whole of we are adults. All of we grown. You understand where I come from? Stop walking fast on people page, man.
What are you talking about?
And people and all kind of sit.
What?
Make the whole of we come over here and enjoy ourselves.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
No, because the woman a complain and said they comment to the person and then they go look on our page. Like, stop the foolishness. Whoever doing that, stop. We're all big people, you know. We're over here having a laugh, having fun. Make we just have fun and be merry and be good, no?
No, I appreciate what you're saying, but I think the better advice is to tell people that, listen, you're not gonna get her from people who come on your page and a fast and whatever. So it's either you ignore them and just keep it moving. I think that's the better advice.
Me personally, I keep it moving. Whether you say 500 people view my profile and I don't know why I have to today, and I not ask no question. I don't.
No, well, you know, say about the base part what going on the show.
Hold on. I wasn't even on TikTok, but yeah,
hold on. It's automatic. Once somebody attack and what the people listening to you right now, and them just about 10, 20 people probably check your profile now.
But I've never done that.
Worse if something excitement going on, if them like you. And I'm like, yo, she jiggy, she jiggy and cool and
Not,
whatever.
and
It's
even
just
Ilian, me like Ilian,
hold
but
on,
I've never been on Ilian stage.
listen. It's just an automatic thing. Once somebody on, what if people are gonna check your profile? So I think the better advice is once you're on TikTok and you come out, you're exposed and thing like that. Worse if you think jiggy, if them not like you, them are gonna check your thing. If them like you, them are gonna check your thing. So manage it, accept it, and done. All right?
Maybe I'm weird, that's all, because I've never done that, Raga, seriously.
Nah, man, people
Never.
just, it's automatic. People do that. It's
Once we done
standard.
off on the show, that's it. I had me laugh, we keep it going, and that's it. I only know a few people name over here.
You know, I get her from.
Juice Media. Where's my baby Juice Media? Juice Media, hi, good night.
Let me
My
take
baby,
some other
where's
call
my
and
baby?
one thing. See?
All right, then, Raga, take care.
All right, boo boo, and big up your daughter, your singer daughter and things. She's an artist.
You're too bad. You can't give me something going. Right.
All right, boo boo, blessings, man. Cool.
Good.
What is TikTok I send me? So man, afraid to touch it now. What is? What? I don't know what TikTok asked me. So, but now I'm going out to the next thing, you know, it go cut off the live. You see what I say? Betrayal Mixup or any other Mixup one now. Let's hear it. Greetings. Yeah.
Yeah, so here we go on now. Me just remaggle some soup, you know. How you say you talk about food that you want, some cooking, but none of that because make a mix up still.
Yeah.
So here we go on now. Back in, you say ghetto and rare, and me you talk something and me I say, yes, I got a real ghetto youth.
Yes,
but here we
Derek.
go on now. Back in the days, you know, for my corner now, seeing?
Yeah.
You have all kind of man, so you have one special hombre. Him just chop anything him get for chop, you know? And thing.
Yeah.
Even some old people where, I don't go say cranny, but you know, some old lady or them age and how them look, you know? You know, think nothing like that. No care you is a man like, you know? But him no care, him just chop.
Yeah.
So, you know, big Friday night, that me no table in front when I look get a bar where in our one lane on the main street. So everybody out people, all them dog follow them, some people are them post follow them.
Mm-hmm.
Some all chink and roach follow them come out. But anyway, they are the domino table now and him chop this whole woman and he talking and go around cause everybody have to say, boy, such man really chop that and rare and thing. So she have one niece now, you know them look at Reggae. Come around now and rush him. Hey, such man, who me you see you come talk about you have my auntie and rare. So me I expect now say, you know, him I go deny it and say rare, you know. And thing. Me only hear such man blurt out say, after me not talk nothing, a such man climb up and see. Me no know if I wanna do somebody that grab her tongue or what. I never hear another word. She went away so silent. Everybody bust out a laugh. Glass they are ground, buckle they are ground, the 28 domino table. Domino upon the table they are ground, the table itself upon the ground.
Mm-hmm.
And everybody a laugh. And you know, me I see some people call on some things for themselves sometime. Where you run come now, come to this man now, in this crowd now. And when the man go tell us, say, him not talk nothing, a such man climb up and see, that means say no deny it, you know, and technically I tell you in the next, you say, yes, me chop it. But me not say nothing. I saw climb up and see, yeah, I go talk.
Well, if you run in and go say that and thing and that are the response you get, you just have to work with it.
Well, she run up and get what, bun up?
Run up and get done up.
Yes. Well, that go on, you know?
Yeah, she run up and get done up.
So, that's a little piece of mix up them call figure, because remember I tell me, I say mix up in on me.
All right, Derek.
That is a mix up.
Word, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Respect, man. Cool. All right. Yeah, man. Respect, Derek. Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I must know Derek, you know, because Derek always can't even with the mix up. Right, Christina? Christina says she love when Derek call in. Run up and get done up. All right. Betrayal mix-up or any other mix-up one have. Say that. Oh, nothing no come up. I bring on them people and nothing no come up. Betrayal mix-up or any other mix-up. Come up in my box and thing. Oh, I'm gonna leave early tonight, girl. That's good. Ah, nobody in my box. Ain't that something? Betrayal mix-up or any other mix-up one. Anybody may leave early, you know. Nothing wrong. Kevin Rooms, big up yourself, man. Seeing Kevon Rooms. Dr. Mac, you want to say comfy. Comfy. Oh no. Oh, what did I do here? Oh. Who is your cousin, Marion? Who is your cousin? Fox Wagwan. Shanae. See you. Oh, Rooms are your cousin? Oh, what? Mix up Munchie. I'm not a new name, you know. Mix up Munchie. All right. Now say a word, man. Big up your cousin, you know, Marion. All right. And ladies have the same name. Marion. Itanis Radio. Professor, just letting you know that you are one of my inspirational figures. Thank you for that. Respect and honor, you know. Blessings, man, all right? Respect and honor. Christmas a come, me and ma. They're on the corner. Big up all the people who celebrate the holiday season and thing and whatever. I found out a little wind down thing on the work. Today I was there. Today at the night, though. Yeah. I found out having a little Christmas party, them I come up. Remember, don't over drink and thing and embarrass yourself and then be the talk of the company for the rest of the year you embarrass yourself at the Christmas party. Raga, you're not done driving, you want to down dailies. I want you alone, me, I want to down dailies in the Angie. What you hear about? Right? Raga, will you have a Christmas party? No. You know, have a Christmas party. I don't want to have a little something, you know? But boy, there's so much going on. And I probably are going to know about it in a week, you know? I'm not going to know about it in a week. We may have a Christmas party online at a certain place. Online. I'm not going to know about it here. Munchie, bigger than that, man. We have some plans, you know? We have some plans. Have you ever heard of a Bohemian? Getting one had me on. I'll give you that one. Why, Ricky, me don't know what you're saying in that comment there, you know? A comment there, like, rough, you know? But people, may work on something big. Well, it's big for me, and it involves honor. So, you know, hopefully, be a problem it I give me though. So hopefully in a week, it will just sort out with on a level where it can shut off. You see what I'm saying? And it's all nice. And yeah, I need to support people, but you're not going to enjoy it. You're not going to enjoy it. I guarantee you're not going to enjoy it. All right? Buzzer, big up. And yeah, it's going nice. It's going nice. No, it's not a cruise. It's something online. I'm going to know it's something online. But, all right, but may I work on it. Carol said, Raga, the first party you kept in London, I still have my ticket. Oh, yeah, and you know, I say you can't remember the party and I remember Ecstasy, you know. Boy, Ecstasy Queen, man. Sleep in Power Queen. Sleep in Peace Ecstasy. And thing, you know. And she did have a TamFam dress, you know, man. a black and TamFam dressed with white on it and thing and whatever, you know. Ecstasy Queen, bless up yourself, sleep in peace. I think you should do a top 10 or 15. 10 is fine, but you got a 15 from. If Una can come up with the top 10 mix up them, me see if I can find them and then play them back and thing and whatever. But based on the thing when I'm telling about all that I got shot, you know. Don't it ver Ecstasy Queen, man, you know. Like loyal TamFam and that, you know. Loyal TamFam and that. Yeah, with the top 10 mix-up, I don't know which mix-up I gonna win anyway. So the competition I gonna be for number 2 to number 10, you know. The bottom 9, because I'm not being a spoiler or anything, but you know the Pondy Rap mix-up I gonna win, you know. Right. The Pondy Rap mix-up is just like, it's the stuff of legends. You know, Pondy Rap mix-up, Ghana lead. Saying, anyway, I'm going to end it early tonight. All right, people, don't vex. This is unusual for us, 20 to 9. All right. May 9th at the Scandal nightclub. Watch a Carl, you still really have the ticket. I remember the date, don't it? May 9th. That's when, yeah, people, I kept a party in London, you know, at a nightclub called the Scandal. But, yeah, I mean, used to keep party in London. I think I kept about 2 or 3 parties in London, I think, you know. Yeah, spiritually blessed. Not wrong. Make a early movement tonight or whatever. I have something for do anyway, I think. I just swamped here and thing, all right? But I'll be back tomorrow, 6 o'clock on the dot. I solemnly swear. And we're joking again, all right? And don't get mad and think, Shanae, come on. See, Shanae Marie, come on. All right? Raga will be back tomorrow, all right? I'm going to take a time to go do some work. And some laundry. I hate doing laundry. I hate doing laundry. It's the worst. And it's not the laundry, me at the fuller. The folding after, you know. I can't take your folding after, you know. Miss Cheryl, big up yourself. Cheryl, bless large up, you know. Kali, bless up yourself, man. Shanae says she love folding. Oh, God, I hate it. Yeah, me and them, you know, me do laundry, you know, throw it close on the bed, you know. And then push them, so me I go fold them up. Then I push them over and go sleep, right? And then them stay there for like a week or 2 weeks before I fold them up and whatever, you know. It's just like, you know. It's what I say. Queenie said, mail them to me. Yeah, mail them to you for fold them and then send them back, right? Go figure. Rebo, large up. Nowadays, man. Nowadays, I in New York do him thing. Now a power there in New York do him thing. All right. All right. Big Bear say him worse. Him just draw the clothes from the laundry bag when needed. No. Yeah, Munch, man. I do a look early thing tonight, you know. Yeah. You know, yeah, man. Everything balance up, man. All right, people. Sooner tomorrow, all right? Enough love and blessings and thing. Take care of yourselves, all right? Cool. 6 o'clock. I'll be here tomorrow, 6 o'clock in the evening, right here. Blessings.